Hello?
Yes, Tristan, I can see you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, cool, Tristan. All right. Thanks for coming in early.
Yeah.
Before the others come, go ahead and set up, yeah.
Mhm.
I just want to hear update from you because we have we met. Wait, I kind of forget. Did we meet last week or was it 2 weeks ago?
I think it was 2 weeks ago. I'm not wrong.
But last week was when you got that CCA reschedule and you cannot make it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah. So that's why I want an update from you first, so I can keep up with what's going on, right? Okay.
Mhm.
So what is going on? So tell me.
So now my WA is finished. Now I'm just waiting for my results to come back. So for math
Okay.
is all the important stuff has been used up. So now we
Mm-hmm.
haven't really done much yet
Mm-hmm.
for math.
Really? No algebra, for example.
Algebra we just started like 2 days ago. Just started the
Okay,
basics.
understand. And but this is not your textbook, right? This is your practice
This
book,
is
am I correct?
yeah, that's the practice book.
Okay, all right, okay. Um, Algebra just started. We are not, we haven't talked about algebra for some time, but that's okay. Other than that, what shall we do?
By the way,
Okay.
for the last half an hour,
Mm-hmm.
can we uh learn about science? Because tomorrow I have science WA.
Then might as well do the first half an hour first, science. That's better,
Okay,
right?
yeah, true.
Right. Okay. In fact, you settle all your science question. Again, have I just clarified to you that there is no boundaries lah in this tuition. You can ask
So
whatever you
yeah,
want lah. Right. Okay. So whatever you want to ask, if it's very specific, you put it in the Jamboard lah. Okay. That's easier for me to answer, especially when things are crowded. Nick, I can see you on time as per usual. Wonderful.
Teacher, I have not
Yeah.
joined on my computer, so I cannot figure it out. Just
You have not what? Sorry. You have not what? You have not what? Sorry.
hello, hello.
Okay. Yeah, I can hear you. Yes, I can hear Nicholas. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. You gotta mute your computer. All right, cool.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So, Tristan, tell me when you have shared the Jamboard. Yeah.
yeah, okay.
Okay. Right, Nicholas. So, well, how was the exam?
You mean the math practice?
The small test, right? The nature of
They haven't
roots.
give back. They haven't give back.
What do you feel about it?
I mean, I feel good.
Expected, but that means good job lah, really, Nicholas. Any concerns?
No.
All right, cool. Okay, definitely think you're very prepared, yeah, Nicholas. Yeah, definitely. Now, Nicholas, today we can either do cert, right? Okay, no, just a
I
bit
have
more
some
exam
chemistry
practices
homework.
because you're at that level. Oh, let's do science lah, better lah. Now, again, today is a bit crowded, so it will be more important to use Jamboard, lah, as in,
Okay.
screenshot your question into the Jamboard, everything, then I can answer much more easily, lah, right? Okay, any science question is welcome.
I just want a little bit of help answering this like few questions.
Sure. Put them in and then tell me what you want to ask lah in the Jamboard, right? Okay, Kirby, I can see you. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right, cool, Kirby. All right. Quite on time. Okay. If you're using the Google Drive questions, then you don't need to on your video lah. All
Yeah.
right. Is that the
Okay.
plan? Okay. Then today is a bit crowded, so very important to use Jamboard. Copy and paste the question, and I will please do it on Jamboard lah. Would that be okay, Kirby? All right, cool.
My account got sent out, so I need to sign in again. Scared.
Yeah, your mic is getting worse. Okay, Kirby, is there a temporary solution right now? Like maybe you use some sort of headset or something. It's getting worse by the day.
I'll try.
It's not good. Yeah, maybe don't speak louder. That's not what I want you to do. But replace the mic or wear a headset or do something. Do something. Right. Okay. You, Tristan, just to confirm, you haven't shared with me, the Jamboard.
Yeah, no, I haven't. I'm trying to figure it out.
Okay. All right. Right. Oh, create a new Jamboard and share with me if you cannot tell me immediately. Yeah.
Okay, let me.
Have you put in the Jamboard? Have you?
Wait, no, it's not. It's not like focusing.
Okay. All right. It looks very good though.
Okay,
From my side, it looks very good.
it's like this one where
Right, Nick, I see your question. Yeah. All right. So sorry, what is your concern?
I don't know.
Oh, oh, wait, what? Okay. I'm not too familiar with where your chemistry here, so I'm trying to figure out what's wrong. Yeah. Okay. So the one is wrong. One is wrong. If you want to know why it's wrong, tell me lah.
I want to know why.
Pious valence electron are attracted to positive kind of. Yeah. Okay. So the positive and negative ion. So in metal, there are no negative ions. The positive and negative ions refers to the the ionic substance. If you don't understand what I'm saying, please tell me right now.
Can you repeat it?
Okay, the positive ion and negative ions, lattice structure, blah, 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 that is ionic substance. Keeping it simple. Okay,
The
so what
positive
is wrong
ions
here? The description is for ionic substance. That is not a metal, that's an ionic substance. Okay, that's why one is wrong lah. Now it's specifically wrong. I'm gonna compare it with the metal. So here's ionic.
Could you repeat the first
See,
music?
metal looks like
what? Huh?
Oh dear, what's going on here?
No, I
Okay.
cannot hear you. Cannot hear you.
Why can't you hear me? What's going on here? Can you hear me?
Yeah, okay. You see again.
Okay. So look at the comparison between metals and ionic substance. Can you hear me?
Comparison between metals and ionic substance. Okay.
The ionic substance is what is described here. That's why it's wrong.
What
Can you hear me?
the ionic substance is what described here. What's here?
Yeah. The description of number 1 is an ionic substance. Now, you don't seem to get that. Am I correct? You don't get that. That doesn't make sense. Where is your chemistry? That's my concern. Now, I'll just explain metal. Metal is, through their positive ions, the electrons are a little bit detached, only a little bit. The electrons are flowing around the positive ions. But that's not a negative ion. This thing is not a negative ion. It's not. It's electrons. It's negative, but they are not ions. So question 1 is wrong because of the word negative ions.
I don't get it, but okay.
If you don't get
But what do you mean
how come
by the
how come
electrons are just like not close to it? What does that mean?
Have you heard about the phrase sea of electrons?
No.
Then why is your question asking you all this? What's going on here? You haven't learned that. That means you haven't learned that. If you learned it, it would be quite simple. This is not supposed to be a tricky question. It's just that you haven't learned it.
I
It's very
don't
weird.
understand what I know. The thing is, I don't understand anything in that thing. Metals consist of a giant lattice structure formed by the attraction between positive ions and negative ions. I don't understand a single
So for
word
now,
in that.
I understand it. I understand that you don't understand. So hear me out one more time. Hear me out one more time. You haven't learned this. It's very weird that you're supposed to do this question. If you have learned this, it is a simple matter of answering. It's quite easy because that's what they teach you. Okay? Now hear me out on that. Of course, you don't understand because you seem to have not studied. I'm not sure that's your fault, though. I don't think so.
What do you mean seem to have not studied?
Yeah, the class doesn't seem to have explained it. You know almost nothing regarding this, which is very weird because you're a good science student. If the teacher have explained it, you have caught this already.
I think
Definitely
it's like
one.
because is this like what kind of chapter is this in? Because like the paper that my teacher sent me, this paper, teacher said some of the questions she doesn't know that it's from a different chapter.
Okay lah. So just ignore this question lah. Just ignore this question for now until you learn it. Can you please do that?
No, my teacher said I have to finish all of it. So like
I'll just answer for you, okay? But I promise no explanation yet lah. Okay, not today. Today is a very bad day to explain this from scratch. This is you asking me to explain from scratch, not today. Right? Now, number 3.
So the negative ions is the reason why it's not good, right?
This is correct. Number 3 is fine. Yeah, the negative ions are the problem. Okay, now take turn first. Kirby, are you okay? You're too zoom in, Kirby. Can you zoom out just a little bit? Yeah, zoom out. It's the same. Tristan, you still have trouble with the Jamboard?
That's not me.
No, I sent you the link already. It should be sent.
You sent me the link already.
Through
Send me
Gmail.
the link.
Through Gmail.
No. Share with me. Okay, no. You haven't shared with me. Okay, so share with me. That's the way. Share to who? You refer to the email in your first Jamboard lah.
Oh.
Okay. You do that. And once you learn that, and next time you'll be easier.
Oh, that's how that goes.
Tell me if you have trouble, okay? Yeah. Tell me if you have trouble, okay?
I should have sent it already again.
Okay, let me see. Share. Yeah, I see an untitled one. Okay. Yeah, I should be seeing your question. Okay, good. Good. Yeah, okay, good. Okay. Kirby, just to confirm that there are no questions yet, yeah, Kirby, yeah?
I just looked into my Gmail.
Right, okay. Sorry about that, Kirby. All right, sorry, I mistook it. Okay. So Tristan, your question is
Okay, last few questions.
Yeah. Copy it first, Nicholas. Yeah, copy it first. Yeah, it's a bit blurry, Nicholas. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, it's a bit blurry, Tristan. Oh, a bit difficult to read. Okay, I'm gonna try again.
颜色，汉字呀，颜色。
Okay, right. So Tristan, the question asks you to the question asks, okay, do this in this certain temperature. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So you do notice that 15 and 35 and all that stuff are not room temperature. That means it's a special temperature that the student must create it himself lah. If not, the temperature will not be 15 or 35 and so on and so forth. It makes sense?
Yeah.
I'm giving you a lot of hints already.
Um,
Does that make some sense?
oh, there was no thermometer inside to check the temperature.
And he also doesn't have anything to adjust temperature with. Thermometer itself cannot adjust temperature, so you must have thermometer to
The
measure,
heater.
and you might have something heater or cooler or whatever to adjust. In the case of
Okay.
15, there will be cooler lah. That's a lot of mist lah, in sense. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Kirby, just to confirm, is there a question or not?
I'm trying. I'm thinking.
Oh, can try. No problem.
But
Okay,
I don't
Nick.
know how to do that.
Then don't wait, do something else. But if you have a question mark, you do that and put a question mark like, hey, what's going on here, man? Okay, so good. Yeah, okay. I'll come back to you very soon. So Nick, there is this ammonia and everything. Now, again, Nicholas, just now I mentioned ionic, not sure, right? Metallic, also not sure. Here's the third guy, covalent. There are only three guys.
I know ionic bonding and covalent bonding.
So you have learned something about them. Okay, good. Now, that means, are you confused when they say this is a covalent bond?
No.
Okay. Then your question is what? A, part two? Which one is your question?
I want to make sure I got it correct. Wait, it's just all COVID. Yeah. Okay, no. Oh, wait.
Again, Nicholas,
Is a
what
question?
is your
No,
question?
I'm asking. I was like, when they say not involved, like, are they saying like the electrons not in the covalent bond? Like,
In the bond. Yeah, which is the covalent bond is here, right?
wait, let me get my.
I guess you're supposed to draw
So,
the
like,
electrons. Drawing the electrons will help a lot here.
This is new. Okay, wait. So it should be like this, right? Alright.
I'm just following your drawing. Tristan, just to confirm that you are not putting any picture in, yeah? Just to confirm.
Yeah, I am not putting anything yet because I'm doing one right now.
Good.
So far, no problem.
Okay. Understood. And you will be correct. No, you'll be correct, Nicholas. Yes, you're correct. Very good.
Nice.
Very good. Do you want to ask part two?
Yeah.
Oh, part two is just harder, right? So part two, keeping it simple, part two involves some sort of gases. This is how you deal with something new. What is this N2H4? You have not seen it before. I also don't go and remember. I just go and try my best to think. So I only know that nitrogen has 5 electrons. You certainly know that, right?
Mm.
So you gotta form 3 bonds each so that they are satisfied lah. 3 bonds each, right? So how do I start with that? I don't know. I'm randomly linking one nitrogen with another nitrogen. I am totally randomly doing this. Okay, just totally randomly doing it. Okay, I have no basis of doing this because I'm just guessing. Now, since you know that I'm guessing, Nicholas, I will ask you to do the same for the H's. Now, how are you going to link the 4 H's? You're going to do it almost as if it's a random guess. Please do it on Jamboard, and then we'll find out whether our first guess is true or not. Kirby, just
So
to check that you do
you
have the
put the
answer
two
here.
ends together like in a random guess, right?
Randomly, like totally
Oh.
randomly. It's a total random guess. We
Yeah.
just start from there, right? Don't draw things like that. Yeah, no, yeah, Nicholas, I know that that's nice, but you draw that when you are certain, not when you are still guessing. Okay. Now, it is totally impossible for H to have 2 hands. H only have 1 electron. You cannot do this. This is not a
Oh
good
wait,
guess,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Right? And I think the H's must somehow link to the N lah. So, I mean, you cannot just ignore the N ma. Maybe somehow link it to N in some way, you know, like totally random way lah, right? Okay, I guess, okay, that might work, okay. Okay, and this is our first random guess. After we guess, we check ma. If that makes sense. So how do we check? All the N's will have a dot electron, yeah? So dot electron like that, dot electron like that, dot electron like that, dot and cross electron. So far, so good? So all the ends have, the ends has 5 electrons, right? So I have 2 more here for him and 2 more here for him. I guess that's how I would put it. Again, I am guessing, but I'm respecting that N has 5 electron and H has 1 electron. I'm totally respecting that. That one I'm not guessing. Clear? So far, so good?
Mm.
Now, look at your guess, which is again a random guess. Are the H's satisfied? Happy?
Yeah, 2.
Are the N's satisfied or happy?
It's 7.
Count again. It's not 7. It's not 7. Count again. This is a bond, This is a bond.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1.
Hmm.
1.
You should count the other
2,
guy.
3,
You should count the
4,
other guy
5,
there.
6, 7.
Count the other guy. Nicholas, hear me out. Count the other guy.
Oh, this one also.
It's part of the bond, man.
It's weird because it's so far away.
Yeah, just make it closer, lah. It was a random guess at start, man. Now, the important is our first guess correct or not? If our first guess is correct, then we don't have to guess already. Then we just have to make it nice lah. Like for example, you make it close or something. That's fine. Okay. So we are human terms. We are lucky lah. Our first guess is correct. Okay. Then we just do it this way lah. That's all. Okay. I bet next time we might have to guess 2 or 3 times. I bet. Okay. This is not how to say skill lah. This is more like a guess. Just saying. Okay, so Kirby, just to confirm, you can check the answer key and that's fine. Everything is fine. Oh, there's only 1 page so far.
Yeah.
Okay, so your question is still question 11, right? So let me try to help you with that.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that. And I don't know why I got 12 wrong.
Why got what? Sorry, why got what? Sorry.
I got 12 wrong. I put C just now.
Which you mean you have to put a question mark lah. Put a question mark. All right. I'm checking it one by one. Okay, again, don't wait for me. Never wait for me, Kirby. Just continue to the next question. Put it in first, do it first. I'll mark your mistakes or I'll give you some hints one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, again, for warming up, Kirby, I gotta ask you to write down the universal formula, the 3 universal formulas
Okay.
in page 1, right? Tomorrow you're gonna use it, so
Page 1.
get it done. Page one, page one.
Would
Sorry. I
would
think we
you
have
want
to
me
use
write
it already.
like in page one?
Yeah, please write down.
It's
Yeah,
already
page one.
there. Huh?
I'm sorry, Kirby.
It's already in page one.
It's already no. You write down again. You write down again. I don't need it. You need it. Do you know or not?
Okay. Yeah. Mm,
If you know, then you have no trouble writing it lah. Tristan, just to confirm that
1,
no
2, 3, 4,
questions,
5,
no
6,
new
7,
questions so
8.
far. Right?
Yeah, no,
Okay, good,
nothing.
Tristan. Got it.
I did right, teacher. I got it
Okay,
correct.
Kirby. Okay, good. Oh, great, Kirby. Good. Yeah. Okay. That's the first guy. There's a second one, and then there's a third one. It looks good, Nicholas. Looks good. The drawing looks nice. Okay, so far so good, Kirby. Good. At the very least, you bring that tomorrow. Because I'm a bit confused that you don't write this formula for question 11. Even though you're confused, but you should suspect that question 11 requires something like that lah, because of
Yeah.
speed, right?
Oh, yeah.
So,
Teacher,
Oh,
can you say?
I mean,
what's the displacement supposed to mean?
I have a better question for you. For now. Does it give you wavelength or period or nothing at all? Yeah, you think about it for a while lah. We talk about this based on the axis lah. The axis kind of tells you what it gives, right? As for the displacement up here, this is amplitude. So the displacement there is amplitude, which you don't have in the formula. But the x-axis, what do you think? X-axis gives you what? Maybe, yeah, you think about it. You're going to need this for exam tomorrow. Okay. So Nicholas, what is the question for this? You have finally have the structure of metal and ionic compound. This is exactly what I talk about. This is how metal looks like. This is how ionic substance looks like. I was drawing this. I was drawing that. So I'll just answer for you first. Okay. I'm sorry. I better type. Sorry.
These lost electrons do not attach themselves to any particular atom. Instead, they become delocalized, meaning they are free to move through
Yeah,
the entire
I'm sorry.
structure.
Delocalized. What am I talking about? It's delocalized. What am I talking about? Sorry, I used the wrong word. I'm so sorry.
Delocalized to free from the limitations of
delocalized.
locality.
Yeah, but
particular position.
but it's still floating around. It's not as if it's free. Yeah, it's not as if it's free.
This forms the sea of electrons that surrounds the positive ion. Positive ions is like lesser electrons, right, than protons.
They are not protons, they're ions. If you don't know the difference, please tell me.
What? I
If
said
you do not know the difference between protons
positive
and
ions are
yeah,
are atoms with lesser electrons than protons. Am I wrong?
it's not wrong, but if you understand it, that's better lah. I mean, definition is of course correct lah. How can Google be wrong, right?
Yeah, I'm correct. What? Huh?
I know you're correct. The question doesn't even ask you to define positive ions. I mean, what is it that you want to ask here?
Because I'm trying to make sure I understand. Theory of
That's
space
fine.
electrons.
Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Explain the electron C model in metallic bonding. So metals just have just random delocalized electrons, right?
Randomly flowing here and there, kind of an appropriate description lah. It's flowing, by the way. It is flowing. So it's very different from the negative ions of the ionic. It is not free flowing at all.
So based on the last question, it's
Mhm.
the positive ions are the positive ions is attracted to each other.
The positive ions will never be attracted to each other. Positive ions cannot be attracted to each
Then
other.
why do you say it's wrong just because a negative just because of the word negative ion? It would just be metals consist of a giant lattice structure formed by the attraction between positive ions. Or is it wrong because metals
From
just
the
don't have
scratch,
positive ions?
is negative ions is wrong. It's supposed to be electrons. Electrons are not negative ions. They are very far from it.
Oh, so no wonder no wonder it's attracted then. Because electrons has negative power.
Yeah, electrons are also negative, which makes sense. Herbie, can I confirm what the graph gives you? Can I just confirm that? The graph gives you what?
Metals contains giant lattice structure.
Which graph? The
graph on
displacement
question
graph.
11. Yeah.
That's the period. The time.
Okay, and you're using it, just to confirm, you're using it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Am I correct?
For question 12,
period.
you just check the answer key. I mean, you just check the
Yeah.
answer key at this point. For question 12, I don't think we want to talk about lens. Seriously, right? We agree not to talk about lens. If we talk about lens, we have to talk about everything. I asked you yesterday, unless you have a change of heart, let's not go back there.
But
Okay, let's not go back to the rabbit hole. No, of course you'll need it, but you lose 1 or 2 questions, no? I told you yesterday,
So
just skip, man. I cannot just explain to you like that one. Cannot. It's gonna come out, but you already said that you're gonna ignore lens, right? Tomorrow, right? Correct?
Not sure.
That's what you said yesterday, right?
I thought we said ignore it for that day.
Aiyo,
Huh? Or should I just ignore
the
it?
miscommunication. I asked you in exam. Do you want to ignore it in exam or not? If you don't want to ignore it, we should talk about it yesterday, not leave it to today.
Oh.
Too late. Sorry for the miscommunication. Too late. Sorry,
Okay.
just do something else. Right. Yes, Tristan. I'm reading the question, yeah. Goodness me. Very fancy learning for a Sec 1 student, yeah. You're smart, Tristan, but even the words should be very confusing to you just now.
I haven't actually seen these questions before, so I'm just trying them. Like these
This is
ones.
from, this is the practices from your teacher, really? From
No,
your
this is the
class?
practice on like the revision book.
Which is again from your teacher or from
No, this is just from like
from
my mom bought it.
since you are doing for exam tomorrow, right? I mean, to be practical, there is exam coming, right? Just to be clear, okay? This no use for exam. Don't do this
I
first.
think
This is
this is not part of it.
cannot. We I don't know. I don't think the wording and the issue will be like this lah. No way. There's no way
Oh.
Sec 1 talks about this lah, right? We haven't even talked about what is research. This is
Yeah,
and you
okay
want
then.
like they want you to comment on evidence and you know this is not your
This one.
problem. This is
Yeah,
the
but
problem.
this is this one.
Yeah, this might be. Yeah, this might be. Okay, copy it.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, okay then.
Yeah. If you haven't memorized, you can check your note lah. Your note definitely contain this one. Yeah, don't waste too much time on a memorization question lah. Either you look at it or you just memorize it lah. Nick, just to confirm, no new. Oh, there is a new question. Okay, so Nick, what is the question? Oh, the dot and cross you should be able to do, yeah? Nick, answer me, please.
Oh, yeah.
Dot and cross can or not?
Yeah, let me see. Fluorine, C carbon, and F fluorine. Okay.
Okay, then do it, please.
Is that what? Chloro? I just realized it's just a mixture of the name fluorine, and carbon.
It is. They give you the structure, so the name shouldn't confuse you that much in the sense that the structure is more important. If they give you the structure, I mean, happy lah. Tristan, just to confirm. Oh, you're doing it. Okay, I thought you want to ask. Okay. Are you thinking about the formula or not?
Yeah.
So carbon is 6 atoms.
Okay.
Fluorine is 9.
If this is on paper, you probably want to
Fluorine is
write
17.
down first lah. Probably want to write down. It's probably easier to think with the formula on paper.
Let me get my pen so I can actually write down valence electrons. Easy.
That would be nice. That would be nice.
So chlorine, chlorine, 287, 17. Carbon 2 plus 4, 6. And fluorine.
Carbon is group 4, right?
Wait, am I? Oh, bro.
Okay, looking good, Kirby. Can check the answer key. Yeah? Looking good, looking good.
So chlorine is 287, which is 17. Yeah. Carbon is 2, 4, 2 plus 4, 6. So kaya. And fluorine is 2, 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. Yeah.
So can you draw the electron now?
Okay, so the 2, 4. Okay, and that's good. So basically all of them is getting shared.
Well,
Seems quite simple. Kirby, okay? Kirby, are you okay? Venting. Okay, no problem.
yeah.
Oh, wait, I thought because you have answered, then you okay.
So carbon is 4 electrons, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is 7, so it's
Maybe I help you a little bit because obviously they
Huh?
like this kind of questions.
Yeah.
Question 14, so just to confirm that question 14, you are still thinking, is it?
No, I was like trying to think of it in numbers and then
so 4.
I
Which is
understand
totally
now.
fine. Which is
Yeah.
totally fine. Yeah, which is great. You're confirming. I like that a lot. Like that a lot. Good. Again, Tristan, to confirm, there is no problem lah so far.
Maybe this one has a little bit of problem. So, yeah.
Okay. The issue is I cannot read it clearly. The issue is,
Okay, hold on. Let me try and fix
the
that.
video is very blurry. Yeah, it might be I don't know. Is it a connection problem? I don't know. By the way, you are using your main camera, right? Just to confirm.
What do you mean my main camera?
The camera on the back of the phone instead of the selfie camera.
Yeah, it should be the one on the back of the phone. If I
All right.
focus.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is a bit blurry for a back camera. Back camera is supposed to be nice. Maybe just help me by zooming a little bit. If you zoom in a little bit, maybe it'll help me. Then I can read very quickly.
Okay,
Just zoom in a little bit.
try.
Just a bit more. Oh, still blurry, man. A bit,
Let
still a
me
bit more. Still a bit more. Okay, nice. So now I can read is oh my goodness. Right. So 40,000 instead of 100 volunteers. So I can read that, but I cannot answer the question because I do not know the
Oh
complete
yeah,
question. Lah.
yeah. Hold on.
Right. So if you could just screenshot for me, then I can help you do something else in the meantime. Lah. Nicholas, your drawing looks good. That would be what I draw, lah, right? That would be. So what's your problem now?
A second one. Let me guess. Freon 13 has like one additional fluorine than Freon 12.
Additional what? Sorry, additional? Additional what? Sorry.
Let me guess. Okay. Is it like this?
Additional what? Tell me. Additional
One more fluorine.
Yeah.
So the
I
Freon 11 has
would
3
think
chlorine and 1 fluorine.
correct.
Freon 12
I
has 2 fluorine and 2 chlorine.
correct.
That means this has to be 3 fluorine and 1 chlorine.
Correct. Are you correct or not? We don't know, but it's a very good guess. He says suggest ma, as in suggest means guess lah. I think it's a wonderful guess. Okay.
And I'm
Back to you,
correct.
Tristan.
Yeah, it's correct.
Cool. Okay. Understand, Tristan.
So another freon is the formula CF4, which is like
So
no
Nicholas,
fluorine at all.
no, Tristan. So Tristan, I'm speaking to Tristan first, yeah, Nicholas. So Tristan, you might not know this. It's very weird the way they ask you this question because this is knowledges that Sec 1 student probably don't know. Now, I have some knowledge. This is a public trial. This is a vaccine tested for the public already. I guess that's what the question is sharing with you, correct? Yeah? So we're talking about, oh my goodness, I have to explain. Okay, so because it's for public use for everybody, the test will finally be for a public test one. Now, a public test, 100 volunteer happens to be very small. How do they know 100 is very small? Is a long discussion. But 40,000 is probably too much. Instead, maybe around 4 to 5,000 is more likely lah. But the point is 100 is just too little. So the answer is as simple as is too little volunteer for appropriate data. But I don't think you can answer better than that lah. I don't think you can.
Yeah, because I've also never seen questions like this.
No, because you're not supposed to know. Is 100 too small or too big? I mean, your class is not 100, right? I mean, how do you know that 100 is too big or too small? You don't. I just have to tell you, I guess.
But for the
It's
exam,
weird. It's
there
weird.
might be questions like this, like you have to do a little bit math. The teacher told us
The
there
math
might
is
be
fine.
some.
The math is fine. Yeah, the
Yeah,
math
the
is
math is
fine. The math is math and science are, I guess, easy lah, I guess. Nick, I'm very happy with your answers. You are like guessing properly lah. I'm very happy. The way you guess are totally fine. Okay, totally fine. You're reading the question and all that. Okay, I like it. That's definitely exam skill lah. Okay, Kirby, again, let me remind you that he's talking about the BC surface, right? The BC surface, correct? He's talking about this surface, right, Kirby?
Yeah.
Respond. Okay. Now, I have to remind you for the sake of tomorrow, you measure the angle from
Oh,
normal.
wait.
From normal, and you did not do that. Okay, remember to do that tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tristan, you yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. Nicholas, moving on, please, Nicholas.
Okay, wait. Let me get thinking.
Even though you're good today, you're definitely good, but a bit slow, a bit slow. Is more effective, Tristan, I believe. Was more effective is probably what you mean, is it? Okay.
So 2 part 3 is good, right? 3 on 14.
3 on 14, I guess it's a great guess lah. It is a great guess. We admit that it's a guess, but it's a very, how to say, educated guess lah. One would say. Kirby, just to confirm that you are typing and it's okay.
Yeah. I'm thinking about the phrase.
Sure. Yeah. You want to think about this phrasing. They really like to ask this. Yeah. And your phrasing is hopefully more ready lah tomorrow. Tristan, can I confirm that this practice book you do have answer key, right? Okay, yeah, good. Sorry. Yeah, because if not, then practicing this kind of question, no point. If you don't know what's right and what's wrong. You good?
Yeah.
Nick, you okay, Nick? Come on. The question looks good, I guess. And again, he's giving you something new lah. A very good time to guess, look, Nicholas. This is a harder guess than just now. Definitely harder. Right? You're gonna take a pencil, Nicholas, and you're gonna start by basically randomly arranging stuff, look. Oh, at this point, I wish I have given you the chemistry set. Oh, I do wish so, isn't it? I do wish. Nicholas, pencil. Let's start.
Okay. A new system for treating the exhaust nerve. NH2 2 CO. What? So there's 2 NH2s and a CO.
I think obviously I've been saying a lot of sentences and you don't hear me. This happens a few times today already. Please make sure it doesn't happen again. Gonna explain one more time, okay? Are you with me, Nicholas?
What?
Yeah, I've been talking to you a few times and you don't get it. Again, this happens again. This happens again. Okay, listen to me. I'll say this once. Okay, time to guess.
Yeah, I heard you say that.
Start, please.
What was the problem?
Yeah, then guess lah, then start lah.
Yeah, I'm thinking, you know.
Yeah, try not to check the Google, everything. I really mean like guess, guess.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. What's the problem? Is there a problem?
You know what?
What?
Never
I
mind.
listen
No,
to you.
Never mind. Really, never mind. Yeah, yeah. Just guess. Yeah, no, never mind. Oh, Kirby, same thing to you. Kirby, you also didn't listen to what I say. Oh, come on, Kirby. This is 10 minutes wasted, leh.
Huh?
Kirby, are you listening?
To
Measure the
From the normal.
angle to the normal. To the normal.
Oh,
To
but
the normal.
that's like, so it doesn't, it reflects. Oh yeah.
Where's the normal, Kirby? Kirby, where's the normal?
Dotted line. What? To the normal is
The ray to the normal. The ray
you want me
to
to measure
the
this?
normal.
This one. That angle.
This one doesn't make sense to you. We talked about this a few times already. This doesn't make sense to you at all. That is the angle to measure, not the 28. Tell me, this doesn't make sense or yes or no? Tell me, really. Tell me whether you understand that the 28 is not okay.
Yeah.
If you don't understand, tell me right now.
Isn't how, what do you mean? So I take the 60. I have to use the 60 to
Do you know why or not, Kirby? There is no point if you don't know why.
yeah. So this one
Yes,
is
yes, what?
lessons
Yes.
to
No, that's not the reason. No, that's not the reason. That's not the reason. I wish.
Hydrogen.
No, never mind. There is no point. There's no point to explain right now, Kirby. This is too late for the exam lah. We have to talk about it
And
after the exam,
1, 2,
the
3,
explanation.
4, 5.
The angle that you must take must always be from the normal. This is not from the normal. They give you so that you can calculate 62. You fall to a very easy trap lah.
Oh yeah.
Tomorrow and forevermore, it is always true that it is from the normal. You do not know why though. So you have to memorize this. This is your weakness, but there is no other way right now. You just memorize. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Kirby?
So
All right.
N. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now that's 2 of them. Then how am I going? Okay, C and O.
So My correct?
Minutes.
Nicholas, you do realize that you did the same thing as the previous one, end to H4, which was a good idea back then, correct? It was the same, something like that.
Mm.
Nick, do you realize that?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Yes. Do you realize that you draw the same thing as the last one just now?
I say yes. Hello?
If you draw the last one as the same, realize that they are all satisfied. Am I making any sense?
Yeah.
If they are all satisfied, there is no place for CO. Make sense or not?
Ah.
In that sense, we must make a different guess. Because if you start from this, they are already all satisfied. How can CO come in?
Okay.
All is occupied, so to speak, if that makes sense. B, can you do B? It's a simple yes
Yeah,
or no.
I'm trying to find the formula in the other jumbo.
So it is C.
Maybe because C has 4 hands. Am I making any sense, Nicholas?
Yeah.
If C has 4 hands, then it is likely that it holds a lot of other people, if that makes some sense.
Yeah, so I said
Because of that, you may want to start with C first and maybe C put in the middle just to give him a lot of space to hold other people's hand in that sense. Okay, let's say that C is the center conceptually right?
okay.
So who will C hold, right? Who will C hold? Tristan,
Okay.
I've been following you. Yeah, are you okay? You want to ask? Okay, what is it, Tristan?
I'm trying to get the other screenshot. It's not coming out.
Okay, then just tell me what's the question. Oh, you want 2 more. Okay, you want 2 more, right?
Where it goes. Hold on.
Okay, I think you got it, Kirby. Yeah, I think you got it. Okay, you got the formula. Okay, so Nicholas, you're linking the C with the N, C with another N. I guess that is a good idea. I guess, yeah. What is left is O right? What is left is O. Okay, I'm just gonna take the picture, Tristan, right? Okay, got it, Tristan. Okay, I think you got it also, yeah. Okay. So you have a question mark there, isn't it, Tristan?
Yeah,
I can't
over
tell
there.
whether there's a picture from. I'm sorry. Is that from the picture? This line?
No, that line, yeah, that's supposed to be a thermometer, I think.
Oh, it's so
N.
blurry
How much
that
does
I
N
cannot
have?
figure it
N is
out.
5. 1, 2,
Yep,
3,
correct.
4,
You got it.
5. How much is 1? So 1, 1. Okay.
Why would I cannot get this picture? Never mind, Tristan. You go do another question first. I'm trying to figure out what the questions, what the pictures are doing. I don't get the picture. Right? Let me just think about it. Right? Your two
Maybe,
answers are obviously correct.
yeah, this one and this
They're
one.
wearing gloves. Correct. They are wearing gloves, right? I don't think they're wearing lab jackets though. In your laboratory, are you wearing lab jackets usually?
And
Do you
five.
usually
No,
wear lab jackets?
no,
Four,
we don't wear
five.
those.
Each one.
No,
One,
what do you call that? No goggles for safety also lah.
Yeah.
Goggles there is goggles. Yeah.
When doing experiment, are you supposed to wear goggles?
Yeah, we wore goggles the last time I went there. So maybe that's the one.
So
Or
maybe that's another, yeah, it's a safety, yeah. It's always a safety issue most of the time, right? So yeah, lah. The tables are definitely messy, but you mentioned it. So I guess the equipment lah, the safety equipment.
okay then.
Okay.
Okay, wait. So C has 4. Oh, that's 1.
Okay, Kirby, listen to
Oh,
me carefully,
oh.
yeah. Tomorrow's exam, right? You make the same mistake. You make the same
This
mistake.
is the
If you want to talk
reflection,
about critical angle, this is you doing, I'm sorry. If you want to do this, you cannot do it with 62 because there is no sign out,
Yeah.
no out. Because the guy is not going out. So you cannot do 62. The formula itself is correct. You must do another scenario.
The other.
Focusing on 62 doesn't help at all. Is there another scenario that you can,
Oh.
focus on?
Oh yeah.
Right? And a drawing will be helpful at least to trigger your mind. Okay, Nicholas, I'm looking at how you draw the O. You're drawing how many electrons there? Oh, wonderful, wonderful, Nicholas. There's one stray electron on the C. I don't think it's supposed to be there. The one stray electron, I don't think it's supposed to be there.
Wait.
The
Wait.
the one dot
Oh,
on
okay.
top lah. The one dot on top. Yeah, that's too much already. Other than that,
Okay, let me check first. H.
oh, hey, no, you're fine. No, you're fine. You're fine.
It's like this, right?
H.
Okay.
1.
Yeah, that's much
One,
better, Tristan. That's much better.
1,
Kirby, much better.
1.
Much better.
Okay. N is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. C is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And then O has 6. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, okay.
Good job, Nicholas. Wonderful. This is good. Congratulations for a very good guess.
So sure.
Okay, Kirby, do the math, right,
like
and then
this,
check the
right?
answer key, lah, hopefully. I have no idea. I don't think you draw it correctly, lah. I think it's just better if you do it on paper, lah. I think, lah. Okay, I think it's just better. Okay, nice. Yeah. Now just calculate and then let's check the answer key, lah. Your original formula is great. Your scenario is great.
Okay.
Nicholas, just to confirm, we only talk about chemistry today, no physics at all?
Physics.
I mean, I'm so sorry, biology. I'm talking about biology. I'm so sorry.
No.
Okay. Okay, Kirby looks about right, right? You remember the numbers around there, right? So that should give you some comfort. Please check the answer key and hopefully you're correct.
May I have a break?
Good. Yes, Nicholas, 5 minutes.
Okay.
Tristan, just to confirm, you'll be fine if we just discuss science all the way?
Yeah, that works because tomorrow's the exam. And math also not really that much happening now.
Correct. Totally agree. Let's do that. Okay, Kirby, I'm seeing a new question. Okay, good. Kirby, do you need explanation on CRO?
Yes. What's that?
Good. Do A first lah. A has no connection to CRO. I think after you do A, we'll immediately explain CRO. We do have the time.
Okay.
Easier to explain than lens, definitely. Kirby, are you okay for part A?
Yeah.
All right. Because I don't see you typing, yeah?
What's right? Think.
Sure thing, sure thing. Kristen, you put a new question. Is it? Okay, sorry. Now I saw it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. Well, I guess you can memorize this.
Yes, extra knowledge. Because in case.
In case. Okay.
This is another one of
I'm
those
not
things
laughing because the question is no. I'm not laughing because the question is nonsense. I'm laughing because the question is very deep. Like, how are we supposed to understand this without actually doing some real? I don't know, but I guess I get never.
First of everything.
Okay, I'll show you something. Yeah, I
So it's like
believe it
different types of
exists in.
research.
No, it's not. It's not. No, never mind. I'll show you something. Move on this. I'll show you something. This is not something that can be explained very easily. I'll just paste something, and then if you have a discussion, then we'll discuss from that. Yeah, move on first. Don't worry. Okay, I have to refer. I have to refer to.
Right. Sorry, I forget. Pick one of the time.
So, is it
Yes,
like
Kirby.
what I wrote? Am I correct?
You're using compression and rarefaction, which is fine. Which is fine.
Is that not?
Right, but oh no, it is no, it is. Sorry, I thought the question is something else. True. I mean, you're describing a longitudinal wave, which I like. It's a sound. Now, at most, however, this gives you 1 mark because A is how sound energy is transferred from loudspeaker to the microphone. So you have to at least talk about some sort of, it starts from the loudspeaker lay, and then it kind of ends at the microphone kind of thing. That's why you don't get the 2 marks, if that makes
Okay.
sense, Kirby. Yes, Nicholas?
So then, okay, after the chemistry, I don't really have known nothing to do. So,
Oh, sir, man, sir. Just one more, sir.
so I think I start.
Just go to the, stand up Google Drive.
Okay, let me get
Well,
my.
at this point, you can do your textbook also lah. Can also lah. Google Drive or textbook is fine.
Like 3 years, 4 years. 18 or 19. Oh, sir. Oh. Remember correctly, we are doing. Wait, let me get the book.
Oh, you're already at the exam level part, so any hard question is probably fine for you lah.
Okay, let us do first. And
Okay, Kirby, do you think you are done with the answer?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna focus it to answer the question, okay? I'm gonna focus your words to answer the question. He wants sound energy transferred from loudspeaker to the microphone. Okay, so that equals next to next to the loudspeaker. Go through or experience lah. I use the word experience. Experience completion reflection. Parallel then travel.
Okay.
Narration is on travel. Okay, your words are very difficult to say. Next to the loudspeaker, experience completion reflection. So the sound energy is transferred through the air. Through the air. You already talked about that. The air arriving at the microphone, which picks up the compression and refraction as energy. That's the best I can do if I want to use your words lah. Okay, this is me trying to make your answer the question. Okay, what I'm trying to say is that even though your answer is definitely correct, it doesn't answer what they want. I'm trying to make it so lah.
Yeah.
Okay, hopefully that makes some sense. It feels long, it's because I'm trying to bend your answer to it, right?
Yeah.
Listen, just to confirm, you have a new question, is it?
Yeah, this one. And these kind of
Okay, please
questions.
copy. Are you putting something, Kristen? Nicholas, do you have the... Nicholas, do you have the...
I'm gonna find.
Kirby, I already explained the part B for you because I'm explaining the CRO. The CRO is just what you already know lah. It's just a displacement versus time graph, nothing new, so to speak, right? So with that, you can definitely use it. I wish
Okay,
that you could try B and C.
Can I use the toilet?
Can you what? Sorry, Kirby?
Can I use the toilet?
Yes, please. Definitely looks like no, it's not hard at all. How come it feels that you have done this before, Nicholas? Check. Yeah, you did this in page 9, Nicholas.
Huh? Oh.
Check out page 9. You did it already. That means you're looking at the same paper. Switch paper, please. Tristan, are you trying to copy it? Tristan, sorry.
Let me use a different.
Yes,
Are you trying to copy it, Tristan? Are you trying to copy a new question or something?
no, this is like a whole new question already.
Okay, sure.
I'm
That
not
means you don't have a
copying
new
it.
question right now. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Teacher, this one.
Show me. Yep, that's cool, Nick. That's cool. Yep. Your exam skill, which is drawing, please. Yeah. Oh man, I lost it.
Okay, I do. Let me find the last page. I do exam questions from.
Sure. Okay, so Tristan, I have to retype a few things, but I hope I answer it in a way that makes sense to you. If
Formulate
it doesn't make
scientifically
sense, please tell
oriented
me lah. Yeah, okay.
things as use evidence and
Oh, sorry,
A,
Nick, I need to
C.
see your work. Would you shift your paper to the right, please? Okay, wonderful drawing, looks good. Tristan, if you want an explanation, please tell me.
When teacher, when you say the perpendicular distance from B to AC, do they mean like from here to here? Like this part?
Perpendicularly lah, yeah, perpendicularly, which is important.
Like this, right?
Yeah, because that's considered a height law, if that makes sense.
Okay.
Again, E-math, this is more E-math.
AC equal bracket, 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 bracket. 5 minus 4 over 2 square root. 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus
Softer,
4
Nicholas,
over
sorry, softer, Nicholas, softer, yeah, softer a little bit.
Sorry.
Again. No problem, but softer a bit. Tristan, what do you think? Am I saying too many big words here?
maybe the first one I don't really understand. The other two is okay.
Okay, I'll probably give you an example to better explain. You don't need to give example in your own answers if this comes out in exam tomorrow. So I'm just giving it for your benefit. Okay. So a scientifically oriented question is a question that can be answered by evidence, or rather a question in search of evidence. Okay, it doesn't sound very clear, so I'll give you an example. For example, will drinking Panadol cure the patient? Something like that. Okay, that is a question, but that is not a very scientific or specific question. Okay, because curing is not defined at all. In fact, you won't see the word curing at all in the research paper. You probably haven't seen any research paper, but curing is not something a medicine tries to do scientifically. A medicine may try to, for example, however, reduce the symptom.
Reduce the
Reduce the pain of the headache. So, for example, can Panadol reduce the pain of headache? The answer could be yes in a certain time, something like that.
Yeah. Okay. So
But
it's like
can
those.
Panadol cure headache? Sorry, you're saying yes. You're saying
So it's like questions that have evidence to support it, or there are evidences to answer the question.
not have. You don't know. You actually go and find the evidence. If not, why do you ask the question?
Oh
Correct?
yeah.
Maybe there is evidence. Maybe you have to research to actually find the evidence, so to speak. But the question has to be, so what they say by formula is the question has to be asked in a very specific way. I'm being very
Okay.
vague here, but I give you an example. For example, can Panadol reduce the headache symptom in 6 hours? That is
That one you have to go
scientifically
research.
oriented. Mhm. And you
Okay.
can go and research that. But curing itself is already a problem, but very hard to know what is
Wait, teacher.
scientifically oriented or not without actually doing research. So I'm glad that they won't ask you, "Lo, is this sentence scientifically oriented or not?" They probably won't ask you that, lah,
Okay.
probably.
Okay
Okay,
then.
so just more knowledge for you for now. Okay.
Teacher, am I doing it correctly?
Okay, Nick, I'm just checking. I'm just understanding what you're trying to write here. So because you draw that already and you say half divided, I'm not sure why you would half divide. Because you have the area, right? Why would you half divide by area? I don't get half divided by area at all. Why would you do that?
Isn't it? Wait. Half times base
What's the
times
formula
height.
of area? Just write down the formula of area first, lah. That would be better. Kirby, just checking. Are you back, Kirby? Good. Equals to area,
Yes.
Nicholas. So, okay. At least do B and C before we end today. Now, you want to find the what, Nicholas, and then tell me what divided by what.
Wait,
Is better.
it's literally just area divided by base, right? Then you get height. Was it?
Where's the half? Divide by half where? You gotta divide by half.
Then you,
You half divide, not divide by half. Reverse. Yeah. Now you're writing something that at least I can understand. Is it right or not? I don't know, but at least it makes sense.
is there a difference?
Oh, you nonsense already.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah,
You better check though. If you question that, better check that. Important. Okay, Kirby. Yesterday you are sensitive to the unit. Today you are not sensitive at all.
Huh?
That's why your answer is wrong. You gotta be more sensitive to the unit. Yeah.
How come
There's
it-
something missing.
Oh,
Check the question again. Check the
I
question
see.
again. Now, if you have to memorize milli, micro, and nano, do you have to? I will tell you one more time lah. Okay? Because you need it, right? Milli is 10
1,
minus
2
3,
divided by
right? So this is for you tomorrow, yeah? Micro is 10 minus 6. Nano is 10 minus 9. Okay? The other one, kilo, 10 power 3. Mega, 10 power 6. And then after that is, sorry, I forget. What's after mega? Never mind. This 5 first lah. Okay, can check the answer key first. Tristan, 2 more minutes. Everybody, 2 more minutes. So if you have any last question, please post them now lah. Right? Kirby, you can just stick to this one. Okay, you're quoting a formula, good. But is that what you need lah?
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Okay, good, Kirby. Nicholas, you're doing well, but the cert itself is hard lah, yeah? And going to decimal might not help you at all. I don't know. It doesn't seem to help. Don't think it'll help you. If you're trying to figure things out, it's good. Okay, that's good. You can do that. Definitely do that.
Why is 4
Yeah,
over
this
2
set is
bigger?
hard.
Why is 4 over square root 2 bigger than, oh, wait, is it? Oh, huh? Oh,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
because of on top.
Okay. Sounds good, Kirby. Sounds good, Kirby. Again, Tristan, just to confirm, there are no new questions from you yet, yeah?
Yeah, no. Now I'm doing chapter 2, which is the matters and
Mhm.
materials.
All right.
Physical
Is,
activity.
is that also part of the exam?
Yeah, this is part of the test.
Hmm. Okay, a bit too bad though. Kirby, Nicholas, and Tristan, we will have to end because time is up and the next batch of student is coming in lah.
Yeah, teacher, I
Okay.
cannot do next week.
I don't know, Nicholas. I don't know. Tell me more in the WhatsApp. Would that be okay? Tell me more, yeah? Tell me more. I want to know. All right. Still good job, Nicholas. I will see you when I see you lah. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Kirby, finish it before you end, yeah? All right.
Finish.
Tristan, maybe last question from you if you want to. If not, we have to end today first, yeah?
Yeah, I have no more questions right now.
Okay, cool, cool.
Okay, I
Since
go now.
tomorrow's
Bye-bye.
exam, if you... Yes, Nicholas. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Now, Tristan, since tomorrow's exam, if you end up having a question, you WhatsApp me and then I'll answer lah by tonight. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, cool.
Okay, bye-bye.
Right,
Hey, thank you too.
bye-bye. You too. Okay,
Bye.
Josh. Okay. Oh, Kirby, have you checked the answer key just to confirm?
Yeah.
Yeah, check first. If it is correct, then go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, good. Joshua and Richard. Okay, quite on time. I like it so much. Joshua, has exam ended?
No, not yet. Tomorrow I have my EMAS
What's
paper,
happening? Tell me.
and
E-math. Okay.
next week is
Mm-hmm.
chem and AMath.
Is it okay for us to study, I guess, chem today? Because tomorrow is
Sure.
E-math, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'm
Okay.
okay, but if I
Right.
ask you some EMath questions, is it okay?
I have no problem at all.
Okay,
Are
sure.
you okay or not? Oh, sorry. Before I say yes, okay. You know I have no problem, right? You know how I treat the other students, right? Just ask
Yeah.
me anything lah, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, but will your other teacher mind? That's all I'm saying.
My other tuition teacher,
I guess so.
I mean,
Let me put it another way. I might give you a slightly different style or a slightly different answer than him, or maybe
Yeah.
I'll give you the same one. Who knows, right? I don't know. I don't know, you don't know. But if it is different, don't compare it to him, I guess. I don't know how to say that, right? Okay, you compare it by yourself lah. Okay, don't compare it to him because why? Because understand the feeling, right? It can be a bit sensitive if he knows that you are asking to another teacher. Because theoretically, there's nothing wrong with that. Theoretically, I don't mind,
I
but
hope so.
different teacher, different, how do I say, different preference, and you might wanna, menjaga perasaan. I'm not sure whether you understand or not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
So if I end up confusing you, you don't go and clarify to him. If I end up giving you something nice, you also don't need to show to him. Okay, unless you're pretty sure that he is okay with that. Only if that, then it's okay. Okay, can ya?
Yep.
Then with that in mind, you may want to ask the e-math first because let's get it out of the way lah, something like that.
Okay.
If you
Let me
want to.
grab my phone.
Sure. Ya, Richard, udah bisa lihat dari tadi ya. Bisa dengar? Okay, good.
Can I go now?
Oh, sorry. Yes, Kirby. Yeah, if you're correct, have a good rest. You do sound better today, so I'm happy, definitely. And tell me what happened tomorrow. Okay? Yeah, okay. Kirby sound. Richard, ada upcoming exam nggak?
Ada
Just checking.
chemistry sih, tapi
Mm-mm.
nggak tahu aku dites apa.
Loh, kenapa toh kimiamu?
Wah, nggak denger di kelas soalnya. Parah kok
Buat.
memang. Eh,
Ini besok tesnya. Besok.
nggak Jumat.
Mat kita ini cuma keep up sama kelas atau lebih advance dari kelas? Gimana nih?
Sekarang sih masih
Subsectornya.
cap up sama kelas sih. Cuma
Mm-mm.
lebih advance dikit lah, soalnya ini kelas baru masuk ke Radiance.
Sedangkan kita udah bahas soal exam. Ya, kita
Iya,
memang lebih lebih awal dikit lah. Itu
di awal
bagus.
dikit.
Now, in that situation, you have option lah, Richard. Richard tahu kan, di kelas ini tuh nggak ada batasan subjek, boleh tanya yang lain. Kan udah bilang waktu itu kan.
Iya,
Jadi kalau Richard mau coba kimia sekarang, I guess no harm to math lah. Math kan priority. Tapi kayaknya kamu at least udah do quite a lot lah last week. Ya bisa aja hari ini kamu mau bagi lah kimia sama math,
oh
mau coba-coba, ya itu semua terserah kamu. That's your
boleh.
initiative.
Tapi aku
I'm
harus
not
nyari
forcing anything. Okay.
tes itu di tes apa? Bentar, ngambil file di
Boleh
tasku.
cek dulu. Ya, cek
Bentar
dulu.
ya.
Baik, cek dulu ya. Bagus. Yeah, Josh, you're sending me something. Oh, that topic.
Is it
Okay,
okay if I
understand.
WhatsApp
Jo
it, or do you
No
want me to
problem,
put
no
it in?
problem.
Okay.
No problem. But you gotta help me put it in because more
Yeah.
students, and you gotta excuse me for 2 minutes. I gotta go to the toilet.
Yeah,
Sorry,
sure,
yeah,
sure. No worries.
suddenly. Okay, sorry,
Okay.
sorry. Okay. Okay, I'm back, Joshua. Yeah. Right. Okay, I
Ini,
haven't seen the question. Wait.
eh,
Yes, Richard. Mhm.
aduh, ini apa ya? Topiknya ini,
Lihat
eh
aja dulu, nggak apa-apa. Nah, kasih tahu aja dulu.
My bad. I think my Jamboard crashed or something.
Okay, so I'm pasting the question in.
Okay.
Okay. I take it that your foundations are there somewhat, Joshua?
A bit here and there. Okay, to give you like a background story, I'm not very strong at primary school angles because it wasn't really taught to me when I was in primary school.
Mm,
So concept of
mm,
complementary angles, vertically opposite, um,
mhm,
some like
mhm,
some basic property of angles are like quite
mhm.
unfamiliar, but it's there, but it's just not as familiar as the ones that I built up now. Yeah.
Then tell you what, I'm going to focus on the visual side of things, how to see, because that's the most confusing part in this kind of question. And yet, to answer it, we must see it. That means it's a very visual question. So we're going to
Mhm.
unravel the confusion. Which means I'm not going to care about the reason. You got to present the reason, right? Okay, this is the same as that because I have to write a certain phrase in
Right,
English to
right,
justify, correct?
right, right.
But we're not going to worry about that. We're going to worry about how to see because most of the time, that's the problem. If you can see it, then, one day before exam, you just memorize all the phrases, if that makes some sense.
Mm-hmm.
As
Mm-hmm.
in, I'm assuming that you're not here to get help regarding the phrases you're supposed to write, something like that.
No,
Okay,
it's
okay.
just
Then the visual side of things, you'll see later lah.
sort of.
Okay, good. Put in more first. I gotta clarify with Richard first ya. Richard,
Yeah.
jadi gimana topik?
Reactivity series sama
Oke.
qualitative analysis.
Ya, dua-dua, terutama QA agak banyak memorization-nya sih. Mm. Boleh tanya dikit, kamu chemistry-nya itu gimana secara pada umumnya lah, kira-kira begitu.
Kurang apa ya?
Kurang apik. Boleh tanya, kira-kira kenapa kurang apik?
Ini maksud apa itu? Yang kurang apa itu menurutku sih cuma ya eh, ngingat-ngingatinnya itu sama eh, balancing equationnya itu loh.
Okay. Very important, I understand. Memang memorize sama balancing equation itu inti banget di kimia.
Iya,
Oke, oke, oke. Hmm. Jadi, aku kan barusan bilang, kalau qualitative analysis tuh banyak banget memorization-nya. Nggak bakal dikasih. Mesti
iya.
dibawa masuk dalam otak gitu. Jadi, kalau reactivity series, memorize sedikit, terus nanti aplikasinya yang perlu ngerti. Ya, gitulah kimia kan, banyak memorization. Nah, kadang-kadang aku tanya sama murid, perlu dibantu nggak memorize? Karena memorization bisa dibikin lebih gampang. Maksud aku bukan pakai trik. Maksud aku, ya pokoknya gimana caranya lah bantu kalau memang kelemahannya dalam memorization. Kira-kira begitu. Karena memang betul kimia nggak cukup mengerti doang. Ada beberapa hal harus di-memorize. Nah, itu salah satu bantuan yang bisa dikasih dalam tuition. Kita membahas, ini gimana sih caranya memorize? Gimana caranya? eh Apakah kira-kira itu yang kita mau coba hari ini? Kita lihat berguna apa enggak buat Richard? Begitu?
Oke, boleh.
Oke, mari kita lihat ya. Jadi aku nggak fokus di exam question. Biasanya exam question hampir langsung kan, jebret, jebret, jebret gitu. Ini gimana cara lihatnya? Ini gimana cara ngerjainnya? Matnya gini, matnya gitu. Oke, ini nggak dulu ya. Oke, so Josh, I'm gonna give Richard something to memorize, and then I'm gonna get straight back to you ya. I'm gonna put in the question first, right? Oke.
Yeah, sure.
Oke. So, Richard, buat reactivity series dulu, ada yang harus diapalin. Cara ngafalin tuh gampang banget. I suggest you don't follow the class method lah. Tebak-tebak kayaknya class methodnya mungkin aku kurang suka karena rada pelan. Jadi aku bikin segampang mungkin lah. Oke? Jadi
Oke.
gini. Hmm, bagi tiga, carbon, hydrogen. This is metal reactivity series. So it is weird that there's carbon and hydrogen. Because carbon and hydrogen is not metal. Jadi hafalnya aja dulu. Ada carbon sama ada hydrogen. So far so good?
Oke, carbon, hydrogen.
Oke, terus nanti
Ini
gini. Dot, dot,
reactivity
dot.
series kan?
Yep. Dot, 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 dot. Tiga dot, tiga dot, tiga dot. Easy, right? Oke.
Gak ngerti
Paling
aku.
atas, oh enggak apa-apa, lihat aja dulu. Jadi paling atas, very reactive, which means very unhappy. Below, very not reactive or very stable lah, which means very happy with himself. Oke?
Oh,
So far so good? Oke, nah
oke.
sekarang kita lihat. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3.
Ada
That
karbon toh.
means
Di
Group
tulisannya
1
ini nggak ada karbon.
ada, hafalin aja. Hafalin aja, Cep. Hafalin
Oke,
aja. Oke, ikutin, ikutin. Aku yang langsung applicable ke exam, walaupun kita lagi nggak bahas exam. Aku selalu begitu.
oke,
Yang
boleh.
kamu mesti lakukan di exam apa? Ini. Ini bukan, mari kita mulai perkenalan. Enggak. Ini sebenarnya langsung exam skill. Oke
Oke.
ya. Jadi group 1, group 2, group 3. Berarti group 1 lebih reaktif dari group 2. Whatever that means ya. Group 2 lebih reaktif dari group 3. That means group 3 is happier than group 2, more stable, Kira-kira begitulah. Itulah gunanya memorize reactivity series, harus tahu siapa yang lebih reaktif, siapa yang enggak. Oke, group 1, 2, 3, very simple, right?
Mhm.
Terus yang di bawah tuh Olympic medals. Olympic medals tuh gold. Kalau kamu combine science, kamu tuh jarang diminta untuk memorize chemical symbol. Please, that's a very bad thing. Please memorize the chemical symbol. I nggak mau lihat you tulisnya ini Go atau G. No, I don't care. It's AU. Oke?
Hmm, oke,
Kalian dihafalin Go to AU. Udah gitu,
oke,
harus apal.
oke,
Ini silver. Oh, nggak tahu silver itu AG. Ya udah hafalin, itu silver. Boleh ngomong ini silver pakai mulut, tapi nulisnya AG.
oke.
I nggak mau lihat kata S atau SI. Don't. It's a very bad habit. Very bad
Ah,
habit.
ah.
Oke. Biasanya combine science, anak combine science digituin soalnya, tapi itu nggak bagus. Oke.
Oh
Olympic
ya.
medal, gold, silver, and bronze, right? Bronze itu kan perunggu. Nah, bronze itu made out of copper. Oke, copper.
Hmm.
Oke. Hampir habis nih reactivity seriesnya. Sekarang yang tiga yang tengah. The most useful metal. Oke. Kursi Richard terbuat dari apa?
Aluminium. Eh,
Kurang
iron,
20
iron,
Aluminium tuh berarti keren
iron,
banget. Iron.
iron,
Tuh, iron itu kuat banget
iron,
gitu. The most
zinc,
useful.
sama satu lagi apa?
Fe dulu, oke? Fe dulu ya. Jadi Fe the most important metal, the most useful metal, must know. Fe bukan iron, oke? Fe ngomongnya sih boleh iron,
Fe.
boleh.
Oke, Fe,
Ya, Fe.
zinc,
Lalu zinc,
Zn,
zinc itu di atas sama
Cn,
ini Pb di bawah, lead.
Pb, lead,
Lead, lead. Ya, lead. Udah. Reactivity
Pb.
series hampir selesai dihafalin.
Oh, cuma gitu
Oke,
toh.
sekarang Richard, ya percaya nggak percaya, ini bisa langsung pakai soalnya. Jadi Richard, kalau kamu udah siap, ini tugasmu yang pertama ya, kan ini cara menghafalkan kan. Yang aku ajarin kan cara menghafalkan ya. Memang gampang, ya masa susah gitu loh. Ngapain ngajarin sesuatu yang susah, nggak bisa dipakai dalam exam. Oke. Nah,
Hmm.
sekarang kamu udah siap, kamu erase kamu clear frame. Kayak gini ya misalnya, clear, hilang kan? Hilang. Ya, ini aku balikin lagi. Kamu clear frame, kamu do it again, exactly how I do it. Urutan-urutannya juga persis. C sama H dulu, group 1, 2, 3, Olympic medal, baru yang tengah. Ya, that's the way we do it. Bukan dari atas sampai bawah, nggak gitu juga.
Hah.
Ngerti? Oke?
eh
Ngerti ya?
oke.
So I'm gonna repeat this one more time, again, C, H, dot, 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 dot. Itu ngestruktur pikiranmu.
Oke.
Group 1, Group 2, Group 3. Simple, right? Gold, silver, copper. Fe
Aha.
tengah-tengah. Zinc,
Fe,
lead. Gitu.
zinc, lead.
Hmm.
Lead ini kan
Ya,
spesial kan sebenarnya bukannya. Maksudnya nggak ngeriak sama
spesial.
acid. Soalnya kalau ngeriak sama acid itu anu ya.
Ya itu
Blank.
nanti, itu nanti,
Nanti ya.
itu
Oke.
nanti, itu nanti. Ya boleh,
Berarti
memang betul. Nanti.
oke,
Oke,
berarti
jadi sekarang tugasmu adalah you harus clear dulu, bukan bukan lihat, nggak ada gunanya itu.
oke.
Clear, then rewrite. Pakai
C
clear frame, nggak usah hapus, pakai clear frame. Ya, oke, sip, sip.
H
Oke,
dot dot dot
continue ya.
dot
Sekarang aku
dot
sama
dot.
sama Joshua dulu ya. Oke,
Oke.
pelan-pelan ya. Oke, Josh. Right. Now, I'm gonna describe what I see,
Hmm.
Joshua, in page 2, okay? I tend to see a few things. For
Gold,
example, I tend to see a
silver,
butterfly. The
copper,
butterfly inside a circle. Here, there's a butterfly.
iron,
Yeah.
A butterfly is a very
zinc.
common shape in this kind of question. So here's
Mm.
another butterfly, correct? Okay. Now, the thing about butterfly is if you know basics, this will always be equal to that, and this
Yeah.
will always be equal to that.
Carb,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
For
Yeah.
additional benefit, well, this will be equal to
carbon,
that, and this will be equal to that lah. I
hydrogen.
mean, whatever
That's
the reason is, if you know that they're equal, they're enough. You don't have to say the reason to me. Okay, clear ya?
Oh.
Okay, the moment I see a butterfly, I instinctively do certain things. For example, I don't care about the question, I almost never care about the question. Now, this is what I do. You watch what I do. I just dot this guy. Do you know why I dot that guy? Dot means I know I can find it. In fact, I know it's 24. I just don't bother writing 24 because it will be crowded. The more complicated the question is, the more crowded it will become. Now, if you want to write 24, write it extremely small. Do you understand me? Extremely small, nothing big. Because it will crowd you visually. That's very bad for this question. It's just not good. Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so whether you draw it or not, I don't, but you can. Just make sure it's not crowded. So I know 24 immediately. Look. Okay. There is nothing else for me in this butterfly because I don't want to say that this is the same as that. I know that they're the same, but I don't know, I don't know what those numbers are, so I don't care. Okay. With that confidence, I end my butterfly analysis. So far, so good? You sure?
Yeah. So I
Okay,
know
now
VAC
let's talk about the
was
60.
24. Yeah,
Which one, sorry?
65. VAC is 20. Yeah, VAC
65,
is
okay.
20. Yeah.
So yeah, so that's not the butterfly, that's something else. So I noticed that BD is a diameter. The word diameter attracts me a lot because if this is diameter, then
Then
there's
this
another
is
basic
diameter.
thing.
Nope.
This is 90
Oh,
degrees.
90. Oh.
I think you
Okay.
probably missed that lah. Now, the moment
Yeah.
you notice that, I dot this guy immediately. Why? Because I know I can find this guy is 90 minus 65. I don't care that it's 25. I know that I can find it. That's the most important thing.
Right,
Okay.
right.
So I use two dot to help me distinguish that. I mean, if you want a 95, if you want a 90 degree also can there lah. Whether you need it or not, I don't know, but sure. Okay. Now I do a double dot to indicate the fact that it's the second step for me. I gotta do the 90 degree, then I will get these two dots. All right. Okay. That just signifies that it's a next step for me. Okay. Just to be clear, I know this already. I basically know all this already. Basically.
Okay.
From the triangle thingy lah, right? I know this is 24. I know this is 25. So I know this. I know this. I know everything. That is how I analyze a question before I start answering. I map out what I can find pretty easily. Okay, that's how I analyze a question. This is a style that I find to be very time-saving and to not be visually crowded. Very important. So far, so good?
Yeah.
Now, with that in mind, with that confidence in mind, not with numbers, okay? Not with numbers, but with confidence in mind, I turn to the question. BAC, you want me to find BAC. Oh, that's easy, 24 degree. Done, correct?
Yeah.
Because of the dot law.
Mhm.
And then ADC. Well, ADC, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure I can find this. I can find that. What else can I
Isn't it
find?
just 90 minus 24? No? Because it's
The
AC is
question is
also
AC a
diameter.
diameter or not?
Because it
Is
passes at
AC a
P.
diameter?
If BD passes at P and its diameter, then
No,
no,
P
wait,
is not
no. P is
P
not
is
a
not guaranteed
center.
to be diameter.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
be
Okay.
careful.
All right. Yep.
P is not guaranteed a diameter. I wouldn't be,
Mm.
so fast lah. I wouldn't be so fast, right? I will think about ADC for a while, but I will check out DAC. Oh, DAC is very easy one. DAC is very easy because of a 90-degree thingy lah. Okay, I think it's done already. DAC is done.
65 minus 90 minus 65, was it?
90 minus 24.
Oh,
Because of the 90-degree here, because this is a diameter. The 90
yeah.
degree that you draw here, right? Then DAC and then 90 minus 24. Am I making any sense so far?
Hold on. Give me a second. AC,
Sure, sure. Jadi
EA.
Richard, jadi yang ini ordernya agak dihafalin dikit. Jadi ini higher, ini lower, ini
Iya.
higher, ini lower. Jadi
Hmm,
sebenarnya memang grup 1 2 3-nya ada memorization tambah lagi, harusnya K and A. Harusnya calcium Mg. Kalau aluminium kan cuma satu. Jadi ada dua di sini yang dihafalin. Jadi ada tambahan betul. Gitu.
aku
Ya,
kalau lihat
oke.
sih ingatku itu kalau dari yang grup satu itu dari atas ke dari bawah ke atas yang lebih kayak reaktif gitu kan.
Kira begitu. Betul.
Iya,
Nah,
berarti
kalau
buat
mau ngafalin kayak gitu, grup 1, grup 2 juga sama, kayak gitu juga. Boleh.
oh, grup 2 ya juga
Boleh
gitu.
begitu. Lihat aja, kalsium kan di bawahnya magnesium.
Oh iya.
Lihat aja.
Oke,
Jadi sama,
yes.
enak juga ngafalin begitu. Boleh juga.
Salah baca
Oke.
tadi ya. Oke.
Nah, jadi kamu udah siap sama reactivity series, ya berarti menurut aku sih, kamu memorization skillnya nggak jelek-jelek amat loh. Menurut
Nah,
aku. Karena ada yang struggle, ada yang struggle. Mungkin ini masalah cara doang. Mungkin.
mungkin ya.
Nah, ini udah siap pakai. Dia mau coba sekali lagi boleh ya? Silakan ya. Kalau mau ya boleh silakan. Nah, kalau kamu udah jago, aku nggak atur-atur kamu nulisnya gimana. Karena menurut aku, oh, kok Richard jago ya? Ya udah terserah
eh
kamu mau nulis kayak gimana gitu. Kalau kalau nggak pinter ya aku atur. Gitu. Nah, silakan. Josh, are you still trying to find the ADC just to confirm?
Is it like a Z? Is it? No, it's not a Z.
I'm
It's
checking. Oh,
24. Then it's 90. Is it?
no, it looks like a 90. I just don't think it's a
No,
90 because I'm not sure that AC is a diameter. Again, I'm not sure.
no, no, I know. 90
Oh, I found
minus
ADC. What am I talking about? No, I already found ADC. I already found ADC.
Mm.
I forgot the other I forgot the other butterfly. Okay, I forgot the other butterfly. There's another butterfly. If I know this, I know that. There are two butterflies. There are two butterflies. If I know this, I know that. That helps a lot for
Oh.
ADC, man.
Mm.
And as
Oh,
shown, this is not 90 degree, it's 89 degree. Sneaky, right?
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
bentar ya,
Nah,
aku tak nggak minum dulu.
ya, siap.
Oke.
Wait, I still don't get it. DAC is 90 minus 24.
No, ADC is ADC, right? ADC is
ADC
65
plus
plus
24.
24
Yeah, that's
is
89. Yeah,
89, which is
yeah,
89.
yeah.
DAC has no relationship. DAC is using the 90 minus 24, which is 66 lah, right? Why 90? I thought you declare yourself that this is 90.
Yeah, yeah,
I thought you know.
yeah,
Because the diameter, BD is
yeah,
diameter, so I can
yeah.
do that lah.
Uh-huh. But the
So 90
20
minus 24 lah. Wait, does this make
Oh, never. No, wait, is it this one? Is it this same as this?
Yeah, no, butterfly. It's 24 and 24. This is 24, so this is
Oh
24.
no, this part. Okay, never mind. Yeah. Oh, I
It's the
get it.
first butterfly. It's the
Yeah,
first
the
butterfly.
first one. Yeah.
Again,
Right.
I dot this, so I'm very confident. You should be dotting yourself, then you know, ma. You should.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
All right.
All right.
Okay. Now, once I start the second butterfly, it becomes visually crowded. And after a while, it will happen one. With this kind of question, no matter what, after a while, things will be crowded. I'm trying to delay the crowdedness because once it's crowded in exam, you have difficulty tracking back. You don't want to erase anything. You don't want to erase your analysis. And if you use your pen, you'll feel even worse if you have to erase your own work. Okay, which is to say, in exam, never use pen, use pencil. Use pencil and then write very small in that sense. If not, you will hasten the crowdedness, and when it's crowded, you cannot think anymore because all our thinking must be visual. There is no other way.
Mm.
One more time,
Oh,
the way I see the butterfly is visual. The way I see the butterfly is visual. There is no other way in this question. Really. Am I making any sense, Joshua?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, that question is done. We'll consider it done, okay? Okay. The presentation, we are not very interested,
Yeah.
right?
Just need the
Now,
okay.
for the second one, you can use any analysis method that you want, but I want you to, again, focus on the visual side of things. And I want you to find as many triangles as you can without actually, having to name them, right? Please try. Oke, Richard, ini udah selesai ya. Jadi reactivity series ini kamu siap pakai dalam exam. Apapun soalnya, kamu pasti cukup ini. Oh, ada satu kesalahan. Satu kesalahan bagus sekali, cuma satu. Ini AU.
ah,
Itu
oh,
itu
salah
seharusnya
nulis.
salah nulis saja.
Ya,
Oke, bagus. Yang lain bagus. Ini termasuk bagus sekali dan cepat sekali. Oke ya, set ya. Nah, sekarang kita maju ke QA. QA itu banyaknya minta ampun memorizing-nya. Aku coba ajarin atau kita coba telah satu-satu sehingga kamu gampang ngafalinnya. Oke, Richard?
oke.
Ya, kalau you punya note-nya lebih baik. Mendingan pakai note kamu aja lah. Boleh aku confirm nggak? Kamu punya nggak note memorizing QA? Kalau punya, tolong copy and paste. Nanti kita telah satu-satu aku ajarin. Kalau nggak, aku terpaksa pakai yang punya aku.
Bentar ya, aku nyariin.
Cek dulu lah. Nah, cek dulu.
Soalnya harusnya ada di sini, tapi aku lupa kalau yang ini. Oh, kan
Okay,
sih.
again, Joshua, don't be too hasty. You should have, you should have said that. Therefore, I can find this and find this. Therefore, I can find that and find that. Right? Who
Mm.
knows? It'll be
Okay.
useful. You'll never know.
Yeah.
Right? You'll never know. Okay. Now, is there anything else that you can find?
Mm.
Ini quantitative analysis ini yang harus diingetin itu apa?
Banyak. Jadi aku udah ya. Jadi
Yang
identification. Ada tiga
oh ini dah
identification.
notes for
Gas.
anion, cation sama
Ya.
gasnya.
Gas, anion, cation, sama
Oh,
solubility, sama acid and base. Itu minimal. Itu
wah.
ada 5.
Ini
Gas, cation, anion, acid and base, solubility.
ini quantitative analysisku ini cuma ada anion, test sama test result. Habis itu cation, effect
Nah,
on
masukin dulu. Nah, masukin dulu semuanya. Satu-satu ya. Copy
what?
paste, masukin. Bisa? Pakai
Noteku
WhatsApp dulu.
kertas nggak ada soft copy.
Boleh ya, makanya di foto, pakai WhatsApp.
Tak tulis saya.
Jangan tulis. Jangan ngabisin waktu.
Jangan.
Udah foto aja.
Ya, oke.
Foto aja ya, pakai WhatsApp.
I can't seem to find anything else. I think that's it.
Okay, and I think based on I think that's all the angles that could be there, right? So I guess we did a good job, right?
You can use
Yeah, good job.
AA similarity test, and then you can get for a reason.
Correct.
Yeah.
And you have a lot of angles to support, right? A is done,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Now for CD, the word is length. Length means you can no longer use the angles. Length means they sneak in sine rule, cosine rule, most probably.
Mm.
Most probably. Either sine rule, cosine rule, or similarity, which again means is E-math, sine rule, cosine rule, or similarity. Now, if your sine rule, cosine rule, or similarity is not strong, you will have a different kind of problem lah. It's not a visual problem anymore. Do you have problem with sine rule, cosine rule, and similarity?
So not I. It's been a long time since cosine rule, so I don't know.
Length of
Not not not
CD.
not since the last time I. Yeah.
Oh,
Oke.
definitely sine rule.
And this
Definitely
is sine
sine.
rule, yeah, because it's
Oh,
70 and 8, and then you can get this and get this one. So it's a
Oke,
bit
kok
sneaky.
Philip udah aku masukin.
oke. Jadi kita mulai dari yang guess dulu. Oke, Joshua, I'm gonna let you try for a while lah. If you can
Yeah.
find it, then good for you lah. That means you're
Yeah,
strong,
yeah.
right?
Okay.
Oke, so yang gas dulu. Jadi Richard yang gas paling gampang. Kita mulai dari yang paling gampang. Just to be
Amonia.
clear, you are to memorize all of this, okay? Now I'm gonna tell you what I
Oke.
think is the best way, okay? What I think is the best way.
Oke.
Jadi pertama, hafalin mereka ini berdua sama-sama.
Yang
Oke.
mana? Dua.
Lalu yang ini, tuh, aku udah tulis di Jamboard. Ini
Oh,
dua
oke.
berdua sama-sama. Oke. Lalu yang ini pisah-pisah aja. Ini pisah sama ini pisah. Oke. Nah, sekarang aku cerita soal yang hidrogen sama oksigen dulu. Karena orang ada juga yang tetap kebalik-balik. Karena dua-duanya ada splint.
Oh, kalau yang ini aku tahu. Kalau light pops itu berarti ya hydrogen. Kalau real light, maksudnya real light itu kan kalau misalnya masih ada kayak
Udah hampir mati.
merah-merahnya, ya maunya mati gitu, kena oksigen
Mm-mm.
bisa nyala lagi. Tapi kalau yang
Ya.
hydrogen ini, kalau misalnya ada suara pop, itu berarti hydrogen. Kalau yang oksigen nggak
Eh,
ada suaranya, cuma ya kayak
betul.
barbecue gitu ya, memang.
Jadi kalau oksigen itu kayak arengnya udah mau mati ditiup, kira-kira begitu.
Ya,
Nah, kalau yang hidrogen ini harus nyala. Ini fire, ini bukan barbecue. Harus api di pop lah deh.
ya
Gitu.
kalau yang
Oke, clear ya.
terus yang chlorine ini maksudnya itu litmus papernya jadi putih kan?
Sebenarnya sebelum bleaches, ya, karena basically litmus papernya dirusak sama dia, warnanya dihilangin sama dia.
Ya, ya,
Jadi
maksudnya bleach
chlorine
itu
itu
kan hilang
melekat.
warna. Kalau yang amonia itu jadi biru.
Cuma,
Eh, yang
ya,
merah
cuma,
jadi biru.
cuma, cuma kamu kurang lengkap ini note-nya. Klorin itu sebelumnya itu kebalikannya dari amonia. Seharusnya first of all, ini kan dam dulu kan. Jadi dam, blue, blue litmus jadi red, baru bleaches.
Oh, soalnya anu ya, kayak kayak hydrochloric acid kan.
Ya, persis. Jadi dia kan acidic. Jadi
Ah,
blue ke red dulu, baru habis itu ke bleach. Itu
tapi
lebih
ini
lengkap
penting atau
karena
enggak? Ini penting atau enggak? Penting juga ya.
penting karena
Oh, oke.
karena ada beberapa soal yang assume begitu. Nanti lu bingung lagi gitu loh. Agak aneh kalau note kamu nggak begini soalnya. Agak aneh. Seharusnya lengkap aja lah. Dam, blue litmus paper red, lalu bleaches gitu.
Oke,
Habis bleach udah nggak ada lagi.
oke.
Oke, clear ya. Jadi kan 1, 2, 3, 4 udah hafal. Kayak gitu. Nah, terus carbon dioxide biasanya orang hafal sih. Aku mau confirm aja carbon dioxide gampang apa susah.
Carbon
Unik soalnya.
dioxide, lime water itu CaCO2 kan?
Bukan CaCO3.
Hah? CaCO3?
Iya, hafalin dulu deh. Kalau bisa, hafalin dulu. Bukan CaCO2, confirm. CaCO3. I'm so sorry. Lime water
Hmm.
bukan itu. Lime water tuh CaO.
Hah? CaO?
Lime waternya CaO. Jadi aku
Oh,
jelasin. Ini
maksudnya yang
CaO.
white PPT-nya itu. White PPT-nya itu kan
Ya, ini CaCO3.
CaCO3. Oh,
Karena CaO ditambah
soalnya
CO2.
oh,
Gitu.
hah, like itu CA-nya
I-
ini kemana?
Loh, kan Ca ini kan CaC itu. Loh, sini kan.
Iya.
CaO plus CO2, right? Yeah, becomes CaCO3,
Oh, oke.
if that
Oh,
makes
oke,
sense.
oke. Iya, ya.
Mhm.
Oke.
So Joshua turns out is similarity lah, right? Okay, good. Sign
Mm.
rule and similarity lah, right?
I didn't
You have
focus on
problem with
this.
question 14?
Question
Mhm.
for no, no. It's actually quite easy. It's
Okay, good, good.
yeah.
Now, if you're happy with the analysis method and you want to try again, please try again the dot whatever with the question 8 lah, because that is definitely more complicated, right? If it doesn't work for
Okay.
complicated questions, you shouldn't lah. You're saying?
The thing is, I want to clarify because I had not like okay, I had no problems like finding the angles. I know this is 28. This is 62. So wait, no. Yeah, so the problem was I know this is a 90 degree. So this is like I know this is like tangent is perpendicular to radius. So is it fair to say that this is a bisector? Because I don't know, the answer key says it's like a sort of like a bisector. The answer key says it's a 28 degree. But I was suspicious of the
Okay, let's talk
answer.
about it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about it.
Mm.
So again, I will start with my style first, lah, okay? I'll start
Yeah.
with my style. So again, you're right. We know this, we know this, we know that. This is 90 degrees, so we know that lah,
Oh.
correct?
Mm.
If we
Mm.
want to lah, right?
Mm.
Okay. And we haven't used the parallelism. So I noticed that we haven't used it, right? So the
Mm.
parallel one will mean that, let's say, what does it mean? For example, it will mean that I know, oh, by the way, I do know this guy. I can find this guy quite easily now, isn't it? I can, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This guy will be exactly the same as that guy. Correct or not? That's the blue. That's from the parallelism,
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
which
Yeah.
means I know this guy. Okay, which means I know this guy. And 62, just to be clear, 62 is here, and this is also 62 if it is ever needed lah. I'm using the parallelism
Oh,
again.
never mind. I see it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Never mind. All right. I
Okay,
got
and
it.
then
Yeah. 90
finally,
minus.
this one is definitely known as this one. There's a lot of things to find here.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so the analysis works for me lah, right? I'm gonna erase it. You're gonna try it yourself. This is
Right.
me not thinking too much about the number. I suggest that you're doing the same thing, you see, basically. You're thinking about, can I do it or not? Can I do it or not? Something like that. Okay, give it a try.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, of course you see it lah, but you gotta see it yourself. Oke, Richard, jadi yang paling susah tuh yang sulfur dioxide.
Uh,
Oke, sulfur dioxide itu jarang banget. Pertama jarang banget, kadang-kadang doang muncul. Gitu. Now, the first problem is to memorize sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide itu kadang-kadang aja orang lupa. Oh ya, sulfur dioxide ada ya di tabelnya lah, kira-kira begitu. Ya, ini mau nggak mau harus memorize lah. Oke, mau nggak mau.
aha.
Oke, itu masalah pertama. Oh, ada ya sulfur dioxide. Oke, ada ya. Oke, sip. Gitu. Terus kedua, I'm gonna try a few ways, Richard. Yang mana yang membantu, kamu bilang. Kalau ini nggak membantu, malah mempersulit, ya jangan. Oke?
Oke.
Oke. Jadi barusan aku
Sulfur
bilang pada kamu,
dioxide itu pokoknya ada potasium manganat. Tauku gitu ya.
yang uniknya gitu aja deh, nggak tahu kenapa gitu ya. Kita juga nggak tahu
Ya,
lah.
pokoknya
Aku tahu,
potasium
tapi
manganat
there's no
ini
point.
pasti sulfur dioxide.
Pasti. Dan nggak ada lagi
Pasti
tempat
ya.
lain. Enaknya gitu. Jadi
Oke.
rada unik lah. Rada unik.
Mhm.
Nah, entah membantu nggak, kamu mendingan ngafalin potassium manganate atau KMnO4. Karena sebenarnya kamu nggak perlu tulis potassium manganate, kamu boleh tulis KMnO4. Yang mana yang lebih gampang buat kamu? Yang mana lebih gampang?
Kayaknya dua-duanya ya sulit, mending GmNO4 aja.
Nah, kalau gitu kamu tuh lebih kayak anak pure memang. Jadi mendingan kamu ngafalin chemical formula. Ya udah, nggak usah ngafalin namanya potassium manganate. Turn aqueous acidified KMnO4. Udah mau full lah itu. Masih
Mhm.
harus ngafalin lagi from purple to colorless gitu. Ya, apa boleh buat lah. Ini pure memorization, nggak ada cara lain gitu. Nggak ada. Itu deh.
Oke. Berarti sulfur dioxide unik KMNO4.
Hmm. Unik. Purple to colors very unique, very specific. Kenapa ya harus begini? Mungkin aku ada bonus, mungkin bonusnya gini deh. Nanti Camenophore Purple to colors tuh berguna di chapter redox. Chapter redox itu
Redox.
kamu kan mungkin belum, tapi nanti kalau nyampe nanti pasti kepake. Jadi ada bonus sedikit lah.
Bentar,
Enggak,
lihat. Kayaknya sih kepake nanti.
ya. Jadi ada baiknya juga kamu hafalin. Nanti bonus gitu, nanti dipakai nantinya di tempat lain. Gitu aja lah
Oh, ini ya,
motivasinya. Gimana?
oxidation sama reduction ini kan.
Ya, Camenophore itu an oxidation agent. Dan kamu
Oh,
disuruh ngafalin, color aslinya purple memang bagus sih. Aku pernah lihat aslinya purple. Nanti kalau dia nge-oxidize gitu kan, dia jadi hilang warna purple-nya. Set gitu, colorless. It's nice
oke.
visually, I must say.
Oke.
Okay, good. Jadi, okay, good, Joshua. I think you got everything lah. The 1 to 4 is from 180 minus 56, right? Yeah, yeah, correct,
Yeah,
correct. Yeah, basically you got almost everything you want. So check A, B, C, D lah. Can you find it or not? Did you
yeah,
find
let's see.
everything? Yeah.
Um,
Okay. After your analysis, then you check. Okay, is this enough? Jadi Richard, kalau kamu udah siap, kita bakal clear dan kamu bakal pertama-tama ya tulis gasnya dulu. Jadi ini aku kasih contoh ya. Ini clear kan ya? Ini clear. Aku kasih contoh. Udah clear aja ya? Clear. Jebret.
Oke.
Oke? Jadi contohnya kamu ngafalin tuh gini. Jadi pertama ada hydrogen sama ada oksigen. Yang satu pop, yang satu barbecue. Aku nggak terlalu pusing ngafalin semuanya. Bagi aku, kata pop itu nanti aku bisa bikin bahasa Inggrisnya. Karena cuma ngafalin. Bagi aku. Kalau kamu nggak bisa, ya kamu harus tulis the full sentence lu apa boleh buat. Gitu. Ini cara menghafalkan yang menurut aku lebih baik. Ngafalin intinya aja, nanti Inggrisnya bakal keluar sendiri.
Oh
Ngerti
iya
nggak?
ya, maksudnya hydrogen,
Ya
api,
pop.
pop. Oxygen,
Fire pop, mungkin gini ya, itu apa hampir mati barbecue atau gimana lah gitu
ya,
deh, gimana
oke.
caranya lah, gimana caranya supaya kita tuh
Oxygen,
ngerti bener.
eh oxygen, arang,
Tiup,
eh
misalnya atau coal nih, coal deh,
ya,
coal, coal blow atau blow coal atau
ya, ya,
something
ya,
like that,
oke,
blow
boleh.
coal
Relight, relight,
itu
relight gitu.
relight nanti jadi inget, jadi oh ya relight gitu, atau
Jadi
kamu tulis aja relight gitu, ya udah cukup
hydrogen,
lah gitu.
pop, pop sound gitu ya.
Nah, pop sound, nggak usah
Eh,
sound ya pop aja
eh,
gitu, cop,
pop,
pop, terus oxygen relight dah gitu.
oxygen, relight, ya
Nanti
gitu.
kan udah nggak mungkin salah, maksudnya kayak begitu. Yang penting kita
Eh,
nggak mungkin salah. Nah,
eh,
itu cara
sulfur,
menghafalkan. Nah, habis itu
sulfur,
gas yang lain dulu. Jangan, jangan. Sebentar,
ya,
one by one, one by one, one by one.
oke.
NH3 sama Cl2. Tulis itu dulu.
NH3, CO2,
Kenapa?
amonia sama,
Ini red to blue. Ini blue to red to colorless or
oke,
bleach. Gitu aja, nggak
oke,
bleach.
oke.
Harus dua-dua itu. Nah, habis itu tinggal CO2 sama yang SO2. Oke, yang ini Camenophore. Camenophore, ini purple to
Purple,
colorless kan gitu.
colorless, CO2,
Terus ini CO2 ini kan plus CaO.
lime
CaO ini lime
water.
water. Tuh, menjadi CaCO3. Ini white PPT. Ya udah gitulah kira-kira gitulah. Nggak usah lengkap-lengkap amat. Yang penting bener.
Oh,
Gitulah maksudnya.
oke. Ya,
Memang dua ini detailnya lebih kenceng ya. Ya memang harus dihafalin lah apa boleh buat. Oke. Tapi remember Richard ya, we are not in an English class. I don't care about your sentence, I care about your concept. Kan kira begitu.
ya,
Oke, clear? Jadi
oke.
kalau kamu udah siap, kamu clear sendiri terus kamu tulis. Oke? Sip.
H2O, H2, pop,
Oke, so oke,
O2,
softer a bit, softer a bit ya. Of course kita pengen ngomong cuma softer. Jadi Joshua, clear ya? Everything is fine.
yeah.
L2.
Okay. Now, so far, I'm still doing it, but it doesn't seem like you mind the method lah. The method, oh, okay, I'm gonna find this, and then find that, and then find this, and then find that, and find this, just chain everything.
Mm. Mhm.
If you don't mind, you gotta test it for yourself in another question lah. See for yourself whether it works for you or not. Okay? That is not difficult. That is not a difficult question. Okay. So in
Amonia itu apa?
question,
NH4 kan?
oh NH3, jadi aku, oke gini-gini. Sabar-sabar, itu amonium. Jadi, you tulis, oke, jadi 3.
Oke, NH2.
Gini ya, jadi aku apa namanya? Aku kalau aku koreksi pakai merah, jadi kamu tahu kelihatan kelihatan salahnya. Jangan nanya dulu, ngerti? Jangan nanya dulu,
Oh,
kamu kerjain dulu. Nanti aku koreksi. Oh, oh aku salahnya gini kan kan kelihatan banget. I can improve kira-kira begitulah.
oh oke oke.
Ya, just do what you want first, okay? So
Kalau
Josh looks
oh
like
ini
you're
sih.
doing the B, right? Okay, so you have no problem with B, isn't it?
Question.
That looks more like
Uh,
art and sector, is it?
um,
That's an art and
which
sector
one?
question,
Oh,
which that's what you do lah. That's what you, yeah, yeah,
part
yeah.
B. No, I do have a problem. The answer key says is 20 something, but I got 88. Now the
Okay, I'm gonna
textbook,
check everything.
it has been
I'm gonna check
recognized to
everything.
have an error last time by my math teacher. So
I'm gonna
if
check. I'm gonna
yep,
check.
yep, sure,
I'm
sure,
gonna
sure.
check. So the triangle AOB is 30. Now, how are you going to use
Oh,
that, right? Oh my goodness. Okay, this is fine. This is definitely fine. This is the same lah. The area of triangle AOB is the same as triangle BOC lah. You know this, isn't it? Area
oke, dah.
AOB is the same as area BOC lah. You know this, isn't it? Okay. So I'm gonna add a few things, yeah. So
Right, right.
namanya apa? Ini white,
Oh,
white people. Jadi ini blue dulu, blue ke red, you lupa.
oh ya.
Oke. Terus
Eh,
jangan lupa harus dam. Aku sampai lupa dam,
oh,
dam. Terus ini memang purple. This is purple gitu.
oh, oke.
Ini namanya apa gitu? Agak kurang. Jadi tambahin. Oke,
Eh,
tambahin.
kar
Dikit-dikit
kar
aja lah.
carbon dioxide kan?
Bukan, I'm so sorry. CaO-nya, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh,
CaO-nya, I'm so sorry. Ini
lime water.
lime water. Good ya, dah. Tidak clear.
Oke.
Oke, jadi ya udah, ini udah lumayan hafal, bisa
Tak coba
dipakai.
lagi, tak coba
Oke,
lagi.
boleh
H2
sekali. Oke,
pop.
nah sekarang back to you Joshua. So,
Relay.
let me check that the radius.
So
How do you get the radius? Oh, you do find the radius.
This is A.
You find it by this one. Yep, yep, yep.
NO4.
Again, that seems fine. That seems fine. That seems fine. Okay, that seems fine. That seems fine. That seems fine. This one is fine. This one is definitely fine. Pi r squared, definitely great. And then
Minus 30 because
why
PPS.
is there this thing? What is this? What is this, man? What is this? What is this guy?
My goodness. Never mind. All right.
What is that?
Right. It should be
You
the
should be doing this. Yeah, this is fine. This
over
is fine.
360 times. Oh
Yeah,
no,
no,
no.
this is
No, I'm
fine.
right. No, I'm right.
Yeah, this already.
No, never mind. No. I think it was supposed to be an equal. Yeah, no, it's equal. Yeah, never mind.
Because this is already correct.
Yeah,
It's already correct.
and then I got
So far I haven't seen any mistake, and
I think if my
waiting for
method's okay, then my answer should be okay. Because I know I'm doing everything
because
right. I
here
feel like it's right.
because the answer here is around, it's kind of big lah. This like a
Yeah,
hundred
exactly.
something lah, right?
Yeah.
100 something.
108.
But if this is
Oh,
30, if this is 30 and this is 30, how could this be 70? I'm still a bit confused. It doesn't feel right that way. You understand me? Or not?
right.
The drawing doesn't seem to support the fact that it is 100. So I'm going to check
Uh-huh.
something. Okay.
Okay.
So what's going on here? So what is going on here?
29.5. That's the
I'm checking the
Okay.
radius. Okay, the radius, is it correct or not? Just to confirm.
the
Oke,
radius
kok
is
Philip?
fine.
Okay, so
Selesai.
yeah. Kayaknya bagus semua. Bagus. Ya udah bagus, bagus. Sip, sip. Ya,
Oke,
coba leave it there, and then
next page.
sebentar ya, aku copy yang the next dulu. Jadi yang the next yang gampang itu adalah yang anion. Yang cation tuh terakhir. Selalu yang anion dulu. Oh, anionmu pendek. Oke, anionmu pendek.
Anion itu
Oke, kamu lihat dulu anionnya. Nanti aku kasih tips and tricksnya kalau perlu ya, kalau perlu. Lihat dulu sebentar. What's going on here? What's going Doesn't feel right. 108, 180. So, hi. Oh, I found your mistake. I found your mistake, Joshua. Yeah, I found your mistake. Definitely lah. Come on. Okay, so Joshua,
Yeah.
again, I think visually I did a check and turns out that it is helpful. It was not misleading at all. Like 30 is 30 and 70 doesn't definitely look like that. So that was a bit suspicious for me. Okay, again, do you understand how I check? I didn't ask for your answer key. I don't care. There is no answer key in exam. Huh? I just use whatever is available to me exam, which is visual. How can that be a 70? That looks
Right.
like around 30 or
20.
40 to me. That makes more sense. Okay. Now, I can confirm with you that there is a mistake. Not in the formula. This feels more like a careless mistake. Can I leave you 2 minutes to find it first?
You'd give me a
Okay,
hint.
there is a mistake.
Four
I also
to
missed it just now. I also
minus
missed it.
H N O.
Is it in part B? Only in
Wait.
part B, right? Part A is fine. Because part A is right.
Pi is correct. Yeah, pi
Okay.
seems fine to me. Pi seems fine
Okay.
because answer key
Right.
says correct. Then I mean most probably correct,
Right.
right?
Right.
Most probably.
Okay. Ah.
Oke, gini. Tak jelasin dulu, Richard. Oke, gini deh. Tak jelasin aja gini.
Oke, bentar. Sebelum dijelas,
Ya,
no, aku
ya,
tahu. Pokoknya nitrate, sodium hydroxide, sulfate, dilute nitric acid,
bukan.
bukan?
Tak jelasin kenapa. Jadi yang efek itu bukan nitric acid ya. Oke, gini. Saya gini ya,
Oh,
gini. Jadi aku
oh,
clear
sip,
dulu
sip.
sebentar ya.
Oke, ngerti. Amonia, kalau ada amonia, berarti pasti ada aluminium foil. Kalau ada aluminium foil, pasti sodium hydroxide. Kalau sodium hydroxide sama aluminium foil, pasti nitrate. Kan tesnya nyari
Hmm,
nitrate. Kalau misalnya ada barium nitrate, terus ada nitric acid, berarti ngetes buat sulfate. Aku inget itu dari kelas.
boleh. Nggak boleh, boleh sih, nggak salah.
Gak salah, oke.
Em, gini. Bukannya salah loh, nggak. Namanya memorization kan banyak cara kan. Nggak ada yang salah
Aha,
gitu.
aha.
Aku cuma pengen aim ke yang termudah gitu. Kayak
Oke,
gimana
oke.
supaya karena ini baru setengah, ini belum setengah loh. Ini selesai belum setengah loh. Nanti masih
Ya,
memorize
ngerti.
ini lagi, itu lagi. Nanti semuanya harus dalam pikiran yang muntah ya. Nggak bisa
Oke,
mikir jadinya gitu. Jadi
berarti cara
aku ajarinnya
gampangnya
gini. Aku
gimana? Oke.
coba ajarin gini. Coba kamu nanti kamu tinggal mutusin, oh ini lebih gampang, itu lebih gampang. Itu kan terserah you, ngerti
Oh
kan ya?
iya, iya.
Itu terserah you. Jadi,
Oke.
aku ajarin gini, white PPT ini BaSO4. Nah, why is this important? Karena nanti ada table namanya solubility table. Misalnya you lupa itu nggak tahu, nggak usah pusing. Tapi solubility itu akan mengandung BaSO4. Jadi kayak bonus itu pertama bonus gitu.
Kayain
BSO4 tuh memang
di
ada di table ini dan table ini. Jadi enak gitu kan. Jadi sama kayak KMNO4. KMNO4 tuh dihafalin nanti ada redox juga ya. Oke lah happy lah gitu kan. Happy di O level ngerti gitu kan.
Oke.
Nah, kenapa aku hafalin BSO4? Karena pertama solubility, kedua, oh BSO4 ya. Oh, kan SO4-nya dari sini. Kan kira-kira begitu. Jadi aku ngetes
Ya, oke.
SO4 which is equals dengan cara memunculkannya sebagai PPT yang dimana itu BaSO4. Nah, berarti tesnya itu pasti pakai BA. Pasti, pasti itu, pasti. Menurut solubility, nitrate, kan itu nitrate tuh, barium nitrate. Nitrate itu the best karena nitrate itu tidak akan mengganggu. Maksudnya apa? Nggak mengganggu. Nitrate is always aqueous. Maksudnya apa? Ini penting. Karena barium nitrate itu aqueous, hasilnya itu kan non-aqueous. Jadi sesuatu yang aqueous itu istilahnya gimana ya? Nggak bisa, nggak apa gimana ngomong aku ngomong gimana? Em, Barium itu cuma aqueous kalau dipasangin sama nitrate. Barium itu rada ringkih. Jadi kalau misalnya barium dipasangin sama Cl, misalnya begitu, nanti solubility ada, itu tuh ringkih, itu tuh agak-agak enggak aqueous, agak-agak PPT. Nanti kalau kita pakai BaCl itu sangat membingungkan karena hasilnya PPT kita nggak tahu nih PPT dari tes, dari si testernya atau PPT hasil tesnya, kira-kira begitu. Pakai yang sangat netral,
Sih, ulang
barium
lagi.
nitrate.
Nggak ngerti aku.
Oke, oke, oke. Coba lagi ya. Jadi
Oke.
barium itu yang penting kan bariumnya. Pertama itu, gua mau
Hmm.
barium loh.
Oke,
Karena
barium
barium
itu
sulfate itu
ah,
Y50. Itu yang penting.
barium itu aqueous, cuman kalau
Enggak, barium
kalau ada
sama nitrate.
sama nitrate.
Nitrate. Jadi gua pasangin, jadi gua bawa. Jadi nitrate itu cuma membawa. Jangan salah, nitrate itu nggak penting. Tapi penting karena sebagai pasangan menjamin barium nitrate-nya itu aqueous. Jadi PPT-nya ini pure gara-gara barium dan sulfate, bukan karena ada kesalahan seperti pakai barium Cl. Gara-gara barium Cl dipakai nanti PPT-nya nggak jelas gara-gara barium sulfate atau barium Cl apa intinya itu bikin bingung kira-kira begitu. Intinya begini, pakai kalau you mau tesnya itu memunculkan PPT, pakailah sesuatu yang selalu aqueous supaya nggak bikin bingung. Kalau nggak ngerti, tolong kasih tahu ya. Sorry kalau nggak ngerti, tolong kasih tahu. Ini soalnya aku jelasin solubility. Kayaknya kamu nggak nangkep solubility
Hmm.
waktu itu soalnya. Kayak fast forward gitu. Nah, kalau ini membingungkan, I promise one day it'll be useful. Again, I promise you ya. I promise. Dah, gini aja. Pokoknya pertama, ngafalin dulu bahwa white pipit ini barium sulfate. Tahu nggak kenapa? Karena di note kamu nggak diminta ya. Tahu nggak di exam ditanya. Ini white pipit apa? Ya barium sulfate.
Tapi
Sekalian
white
hafalin
PPT
nggak?
yang ini yang mana? Yang kalau yang
Ah,
chloride ini
gampang, gampang.
membedainnya
Bukan
sama
barium.
sam
AGCL, AGC,
Oke, maksudnya itu kalau mau bedain white
AG-nya.
PPT sama white PPT-nya ini kalau misal
Nggak bisa,
dikasihin
nggak
nggak
bisa.
bisa ya?
Mm-mm. Nggak bisa.
Soalnya
Jadi
pasti
maksudnya
kan
begini. Jadi,
bentar. Maksudnya
gini,
itu
gini. Jadi
oh, oke.
barium chloride itu semi-semi nggak PPT. Jadi kalau you kasihnya barium, kan ketemu sial kan? Barium sial tuh ringkih, kadang-kadang PPT, kadang-kadang nggak. Tergantung situasi lah gitu. Kamu nggak kasih tahu kenapa. Tapi kalau you kasih AG, nanti AG ketemu CL pasti PPT. Pasti PPT. Nah, sekarang aku balik. Kalau aku kasih AG di sini, AgSO4 kan kira-kira begitu. AgSO4 itu juga nggak PPT. Jadi sekali lagi aku ulang. Barium pasangin nama sulfate pasti PPT. Pasangin nama orang lain bisa jadi, bisa enggak. Ringkih.
Oh.
Nah, AG pasangin sama Cl. AgCl pasti PPT. AG sulfate enggak PPT. Jadi enggak bikin bingung. Walaupun sama-sama white, tapi itu enggak bikin bingung. Karena AG-nya
Oh.
itu cuma PPT sama Cl, Ba-nya cuma PPT sama sulfate. Itu sebenarnya desainnya begitu maksudnya. Makanya sekali lagi hafalin aja AgCl. Berarti I butuh Ag sini. Ag pasangin sama nitrate.
Berarti kalau misalnya ada kayak
BaSO4.
table gini ya, ada table terus
Nah,
ngelink gini atau apa gitu ya. Terus ada tulisan
hmm.
white PPT, yang ini connect ke
Mikir dulu.
box ini
Mikir
mikir.
dulu. Ini YPPT yang mana nih? Ini YPPT yang
Oke,
BaSO4
berarti
atau
ada
AgCl?
dua pilihan. Isa
Oh, tiga.
tiga.
CaCO3 juga.
Oke, ada
CaCO3 juga.
tiga pilihan.
Yang tadi.
CaCO3,
Nah,
AgCl atau
AgCl
BoSO4.
atau
Cuma itu
BaSO4. Terus tinggal
cuma
mikir
itu
aja.
tiga toh. Terus tinggal lihat yang lainnya
eh
ini apa terus nanti
Ya,
bisa
yang
tahu.
apa? Ada BA
Oke,
nggak?
oke,
Atau ada
oke.
GL nggak? Kan jadi enak kan? Jadi enak. Makanya aku bilang
Ya.
itu membantu banget dalam exam. Nggak usah ngafalin Inggrisnya. It's not important at all. You percaya deh, dia nggak bakal tanya ini. How do we identify chloride? Oh, acidify with dilute nitric acid. Dan no, dia nggak akan pernah tanya itu. Wong dia tanyanya itu apa kan gitu kan? Ini apa? Ini apa? Jawabannya ya ini BSO4 atau ini AgCl. Kira-kira begitulah. Pokoknya ini berguna deh. Ini exam tested lah, kira-kira begitu.
Oke, pokoknya white PPT, CO, CA, CO3, AgCl, atau
Atau
BOSO4.
atau BSO4.
Oke.
BSO4. Otomatis you tahu, oh how to identify sulfate. Ya, pokoknya tambahin Ba pasangin dengan nitrate. How to identify Cl? Oh, Ag pasangin dengan nitrate. Nitrate is a good carrier, something like that. Dah gitu.
Oh, ini ada pertanyaan di anunya kan. Ini kayak gini. Jadi
Tahan dulu, sebentar. Pindah
tahan
ke
dulu.
Joshua dulu.
Oke.
Karena Joshua exam. Joshua juga exam. Oke.
Tak
Josh,
tulis dulu
sorry. I
aja.
see no. I see no. Oh, you found the mistake.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no
you found the
problem.
mistake, Josh. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Uh-huh.
No new question? Again, no new
No,
question?
really?
Right. How long did it take for you to find the mistake?
2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Not too bad. Not bad. So is the
Yeah.
answer key correct or not? In the end?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Right.
See, not too fast, right? Don't blame the
Mhm.
answer key too fast. Do you still want to ask more e-math question?
One last one. I got this from my friend.
Because I will propose that you have to test yourself with exam level questions lah. If
Right,
that is
right,
what you
right.
want, you need to go there after this, right? If that's what you want.
Right, okay.
Okay. This is easy enough to analyze. Please give it a try.
Yeah, so
This is. Oh no, this is not. No, this is quite easy.
this is, no, I know this is part of this. No, this is 60.
Oh no, it's not. It's not. Okay, so
X is
yeah, 60.
60.
This is not a butterfly, right? It's not a butterfly. Yeah,
No,
it's not a real
it's a bow
butterfly. Okay,
tie.
good. 60.
Bow
Okay, good.
tie. Is it a bow tie?
Because because a
Oh, then
butterfly will
it's
touch the
then it's a Z. Oh, this
okay, 60.
is
Yes.
30.
Yep.
Find
So that's 30,
this.
and then you have this one also. You can find this. You get what I mean. Everything can be
Okay.
found. Huh? Everything
Yeah.
can be found.
All right. Okay, then I'm good. I'm trying to find more.
Jadi ya.
I'm trying to find chemistry,
Mhm.
but I'm trying to do
So we're shifting to
electrolysis.
chemistry.
Yeah, I think
Okay. All right. Sure.
I'll study the rest by
Okay.
myself.
Jadi. Okay. So Richard, you have a question for me, right? So ini green crystal lah,
Green
solution,
crystal ini
sorry. So
pasti copper.
belum
Enggak.
tentu. Green itu paling repot.
Bisa
Nggak, green itu paling
bisa
repot di chemistry.
Fi
Bisa Fi, bisa
atau
juga banyak hal lain. Nggak serius.
bisa yang lain
Bisa
juga.
banyak hal lain. Bisa.
Katai
Jadi green itu
guruku
warna paling repot.
buat aku ini soalnya sebentar.
Gimana?
Ini ada satu lagi.
Mhm. Oke, ada heat gently,
Eh,
liquid.
ini
What is it?
air,
Liquid,
water. Jadi
liquid apa? Liquid F.
boils.
Apa itu?
Liquid F.
Liquid that boils. Oh,
Ya, habis itu suruh
oh.
identify gitulah. Jadi identify G, E, H sama I ini. Nah, ingatku ini aku udah nulis sih. Kalau yang ini tuh pokoknya kalau green itu buat combine science sih kasih tahu guruku. Pasti Fi, Fi2. Fi2 plus. Kalau green. Kalau brown Fi3 plus.
Sorry ya, I have bad news ya. Menurut 10 year series nggak gitu.
Wah,
Green itu ringkih banget. Jadi memang F itu tuh green. Itu benar. Tapi banyak hal lain yang green. I'm sorry. Jadi kalau di sini semoga aku salah. Semoga aku salah. Nah, coba aku kasih berita bagus aja deh, biar kamu nggak sedih. Jadi yang kesalahan orang di QA itu adalah mereka berusaha memecahkan entah dari A dulu atau B dulu kayak ngurut gitu. Itu kayak totally nonsense.
katanya guruku
Yang
sih
penting
suruh
itu
mecah dari
mulai
paling bawah. Jadi kayak yang
bukan dari paling bawah,
enggak
juga sih,
maksudnya
Dari paling gampang, dari paling
eh,
gampang, bukan dari paling bawah,
oh
paling gampang. Jadi
ya
contoh gini, gampang banget karena you udah hafal loh ini kan barium. Lah ini kan
Ya,
si
barium
barium kan. Loh,
nitrate berarti
barium itu kan
BO,
pasangannya cuma sulfate, ya kan? Kan cuma pasangannya sama sulfate kan?
BO4.
Berarti kan
Ya,
BaSO4 ya kan? Nah,
ya,
what
benar.
does that mean? Nah, itu yang paling gampang. Itu udah
Berarti
paling gampang karena you
ada
ngafalin.
sulfate.
Oke. Nah, isinya ada sulfate.
Berarti
Logiknya
ini
kan
ada
gitu.
SO, ya,
SO4.
SO4.
Ya tuh ada.
Nah, terus
Terus
lihat ini
jadi
green precipitate kalau dikasih hydroxide.
kalau udah lihat ini, kalau udah lihat ini confirm Fe. Gara-gara ini nih confirm Fe karena
Ya.
ini identification ion. Jadi ini pasti FeSO4, ya kan?
Oh
Itu
iya
udah pasti.
sih harus dilihat
Ini
dulu kalau di
FeSO4.
tes anion
Karena
atau
lihat ini.
cation ya.
Tuh, karena kamu belum ngafalin aja. Nah, ini jadi gampang karena bagian G-nya yang gampang. Ini kan tesnya anion buat Fe, ini berarti FeOH. Gitu. Gampang itu.
FeOH.
Nanti kamu
Hydroxide
belajar
itu
di KTN
OH
kok.
negatif kan?
OH negatif. Makanya dipasang sama Fe ya FeOH
Tuh.
bracket 2 lah. Gitu.
Oke,
Karena
oke.
Fe itu plus kan.
Oke, oke.
Nah, di soal ini kita nggak perlu pusing. Green-nya pasti Fe betul. Nanti ketemu soal yang lain lah baru kamu lihat sendiri. Gitu. Tapi what remains true is this ya. Ini tuh gampang karena langsung dari hafalan. Ini juga gampang karena saya hafalan. Nanti langsung pak semua naik ke atas. Ya, yang guru kamu bilang tuh nggak salah amat. Maksudnya guru kamu tuh dari ujung coba. Coba dari ujung gitu loh. Biasanya yang ujung tuh gampang. Nah, itu nasihat yang cukup bagus. Itunya cukup bagus. Yang itu aku cukup setuju lah. Gitu.
Oke,
Pokoknya aku bilangnya yang gampang yang mana gitu.
oke.
Oke, ini udah ngafalin soal yang apa namanya chloride sama sulfate. Jadi udah mulai kelihatan makainya itu enak, kira-kira begitu lah ya. Ini udah sign kan. Nah, sekarang
Oke.
aku ngomong soal nitrate sama carbonate dulu. Soalnya kamu tabelnya kurang lengkap. Tabelnya seharusnya begini ya, seharusnya begini.
Wah, ya, ya,
Carbonate
ya.
itu bikin CO2, maksudnya gitu. Carbonate itu seharusnya bikinlah CO2, lalu CO2-nya dites. Itu yang agak kurang lengkap. Jadi maksudnya gini, untuk ngetes carbonate, anion test, you harus pindah ke gas test. Caranya maksudnya begitu. Karena tadi ada kan tes CO2 kan di gas test.
Oke.
Cara cara ngetes CO3 adalah dengan membuatnya menjadi CO2, lalu you harus tes CO2-nya. Itu yang kurang lengkap. Cara ngetes nitrate itu setengah mati susahnya ngetes. Nitrate itu dibuat menjadi NH3. Aneh banget. Nah, prosesnya seperti ini. Ini harus dihafalin. Ada tiga hal. Aqueous sodium hydroxide, one. Aluminum
Oke.
number two. Heat number three. Ini namanya warm atau heat.
Ini kan prosesnya kan.
Satu.
Aku udah lewati eksperimennya ini. Pernah.
Bagus. Berarti kamu lebih gampang mengingatnya. Nah, dari eksperimen itu kamu harus sadar, oh, terciptalah sebuah gas yang agak bau. Ini amonia. Amonianya harus dites. To make sure. Itu yang
Ngetes
kurang.
amonia gimana?
Loh
Soalnya
ya
aku
kan
nggak pernah
tadi udah
diajari.
ada. Wes, tadi kamu barusan ngafalin. Wes,
Hah?
barusan tadi kamu ngafalin. Lihat jamboardnya tadi.
Apa sih?
Kamu ngafalin tas amonia
Oh ya,
sama tes
litmus
Cl.
paper. Litmus paper. Waduh.
Itu dia.
Oke.
Gitu. Jadi ngeling-ngeling gini ternyata entah kenapa bikin otak kita tambah oke, bukan tambah bingung. Pokoknya aku kasih tahu aja, nanti itu ada loh di tes gas. Oh, kamu udah pernah ke eksperimen? Wah, bagus ini segala macam. Bagus lah pokoknya. Gitu. Nah, cuma ingat intinya you harus tes lagi. Intinya itu. Oke? Udah,
Oke.
komentarnya buat NIN cuma gitu doang. Sekarang saatnya kamu ngafalin gitu. Mungkin di Jamboard yang berikutnya lah kamu hafalin NIN. Sebelum kita pindah yang ke paling susah si cation.
Oh, oke.
Oke. Ya,
N
dihafalin dulu. Nggak usah clear. Pindah aja ya. Pindah aja.
HNO3.
Oke.
Wah, ini agak sulit.
Josh, you didn't start by drawing a battery. He explicitly say you must draw the battery, right?
No, my bad. Right.
Now, if you draw wrongly, you are wrong. It is already a test, you know. He is testing you on how to put the battery. Now, are
Yeah.
you saying that you want to write down the reaction first before figuring out the battery? Is that what you're saying?
No, but no,
All
no,
right.
no, no, no.
And you currently have two options. This is a bit confusing, right? You have never asked to put a battery before. You have two options, whether this or reverse. One of them will be correct and one of them will be wrong. How do you decide? Very simple. In exam, just decide both. It's very simple. Just decide both. Okay, you're gonna draw one and then you draw the electron flow immediately. That's what I teach you, isn't it? I
Right,
teach
right.
you to draw the electron flow. So you draw the electron flow and then you check out, does this make sense or not? If it doesn't make sense, check the other way, right?
But
Check the other
this will
way.
be
Your
negative,
electron flow
right?
is totally wrong. Your electron flow is totally, I'm so sorry, your electron flow is totally wrong. Yeah, your electron flow is totally wrong. That was the conventional current flow. Well, that was dangerous.
Right.
Okay. So this is the E and this is the E. Now you got to check whether this makes sense or not first using your mind.
Because this dissolves because it becomes CO2 plus. So that means the
And
CO2
that
plus will be attracted to this one.
taking out which will receive electron and
Yeah,
which
and
will
we'll
get
coat
copper.
the key, right? Right. Yeah.
So that makes sense.
Yeah,
That makes sense to you.
sense. That makes sense to
Okay,
me.
if this makes sense,
That's why
then
I
I think you'll
could.
get all the 3 marks.
That's why I wrote down I feel like the reaction was easier than the battery
You are correct.
because
Sometimes the
and
reaction tells us the battery.
in this specific case though,
Question.
because I only
Correct.
memorized the copper coated the thing.
You are absolutely correct. The reaction tells us about the battery. So the question is actually misleading, no?
Part reverse,
Misleading.
isn't it?
Yeah, it should have been reversed if the question wants to help you in
Yeah,
that sense.
that's true. That's true.
So at this point, people have a 50-50 chance to be correct, no? In that sense, lah. Richard, oke so far. Oh, lagi nulis, oke.
Ada satu lagi apa? Karbonat ya?
Jadi pertama memang tugas kita tuh harus menghafal anion-nya. Nah, di sini kamu tuh udah banyak salah. Jadi maksudnya gimana? Jadi
Wah,
anion tuh harus negatif ion. Jangan sedih, jangan sedih. Banyak
oke.
salah, tapi salahnya ya enggak ya minor lah. Kamu harus loh ini kan seharusnya negatif ion dong. Nih gitu. Nah, terus ini ya seharusnya Cl minus dong. Kok Cl2? Cl2 kan gas.
Oh,
Cl2 itu kan gas. Itu kan belong to the other table. Don't forget that.
oke.
Kira-kira begitu. Ini aluminium, oke, sama heat grade
Bukan silver kan?
Eh, bukan.
Aqueous
Aluminium.
silver nitrate.
Jadi, oh ini semua udah salah. Sorry, aku salah ingat. Ini Ag. Ini salahnya di sana.
Oh, ya
Heatnya
aku
nggak
ya
perlu
lupa
kok.
nulis. Nggak perlu, oke.
Nggak apa-apa, nyoba. Ammonia gas.
Aku ya salah nulis AU.
Oh ini yang salah.
Eh,
Ngetes nitrate itu yang paling ribet. Nitrate harus berubah menjadi amonia. Gitu. Ini totally grade.
oh,
Jadi anion dulu, udah mulai dari anion dulu. Jadi
kurang
bingung.
satu lagi,
Jadi ada 4 anion.
Si
Ya. Jadi
O
Cl, CO3, 2
CO3
minus.
minus, oke. Oh, 2
Dibuat
minus.
menjadi CO2. Ya, dibuat menjadi CO2, lalu dites. Ingat nggak? Dibuat menjadi NH3,
Oh,
lalu dites. Jangan lupa. Terus ini ada 3
plus
komponen. 1, 2, and 3. Ini warm.
O3.
Ini aluminium. Ini dilute acid, any acid lah. Any dilute acid. Nggak perlu NH3, sorry. Any dilute acid.
Oke.
Oke, itu
Oh
penting.
ya,
NH3-nya nggak penting sih. Ya, itu penting. Karena that means you have more flexibility.
oke.
Gitu. Terus ini semua salah, jadi NaOH. Ini paling susah dihafalin. Karena nggak make sense. Cuma dari eksperimen aja kamu ingat. Memang betul kamu seharusnya nambahin OH. Kamu bener loh. Sebenarnya sih nambahin OH-nya that's the point gitu. Tapi orang biasanya ngafalin sodium hydroxide-nya lah. Ya udahlah, ya udah.
Aku lupa sodiumnya.
Ya, ya.
Sodium, silver. Silver itu kan Ag, bukan Al ya.
Bukan silver, aluminium.
Eh,
This is
oh
aluminium.
enggak,
Jangan
enggak.
bingung.
Nomor dua,
Jadi
nomor dua.
ini
Nomor tiga,
aluminium
nomor tiga.
foil,
Ya,
ya
ya.
kan? Di eksperimen kamu kan kamu nambahin aluminium foil. Kalau yang Ag itu yang buat Cl. Itu buat
Oh,
AgCl. Ini BaSO4. Agak kebalik. Eksperimen kamu di sini.
oke.
Banyak salahnya, peduli amat. Coba aja lagi kan, peduli amat. Sampai
Oke.
bener.
Berarti try again. SO4
Hmm.
2 negative. CO3 2 negative.
Oh.
Cl negatif kan?
So Joshua, they do demand the state symbol. So do that. Durable is
Oh,
almost
okay.
never the reason of electroplating.
Does it just
Definitely
make it
not.
look better?
Appearance lah. So
Yeah, appearance. Make
you
it
say
appear better.
appearance or cosmetic. Okay, appearance usually appearance. I
Right,
think
right.
that's the best way. That's the safest answer for now. There are other users, but never
Hmm.
mind.
Is my
Just
percentage
better.
yield
Durability.
correct?
I'm so sorry. You're saying
My percentage yield.
percentage yield? I'm so sorry. Oh, yeah. Let me
Uh,
check. Let me check. That is a very small percentage. The impurity is small.
impurity.
I guess that makes sense. Yeah, the impurities makes sense.
Because
Yeah.
like the 13.5 has impurities, and then this is pure
But
because it's like make it into aqueous, you lose impurities, and
yeah,
then
this is
then
great.
you
Yeah, this is great. But it doesn't.
it doesn't
I think your math is wrong, Lo. You should not be doing 150 lah. You should be doing
1
13.5. You're not being fair.
Oh
You're not
wait.
being fair.
Oh yeah, no, yeah.
Yeah, that
Right,
doesn't make sense.
right. Yeah.
Mhm, mhm, mhm. The rest are fine.
Okay. But the concept's right then.
Right, right, right.
Right.
But I must argue that 13.5 is more conceptual than
Yeah.
memorizing, so be
Mm.
careful there lah.
Mm.
Okay, so far so good, Richard.
Eh,
Kayaknya kamu kebalik lagi.
oke. Oke.
So wrong. 1, 2, 3.
1,
1, 2. Number 2 is
2,
what?
H.
Good. Your
Bukan,
experiment.
ya,
You didn't use
aluminium.
silver.
Eh,
If you use silver, people will steal silver.
berarti ini kan bener harusnya Ag.
Salah. Ag
Chloride.
dipasang sama NO3. Ag dipasang sama NO3. AgNO3. Because what you need is actually the Ag plus. What you need is the Ba2 plus. The Ba2 plus requires a carrier. I'm sorry, carriernya sendiri agak salah dikit. Ini carriernya tuh
Oh,
NO3.
i-
Because
i-
you don't need Ag, you need Ag plus gitu loh. Ini kan Ag plus sebenarnya.
oh, ini berarti
Ini
harusnya
Ba2 plus.
HNO3.
3. Nah, sama kayak yang ini HNO3 juga. Ya.
Habis itu ini harusnya Ag to. Ya.
AgNO3.
AgNO3. Tapi ini udah ada
Ag
NO3-nya.
toh, AgNO3. Sama, enggak, ini enggak penting. Aku juga, sorry. Jadi asidnya gini loh, aku jelasin asidnya. Aduh, jelasinnya susah ini. Pertama, acid it,
Nggak
never
apa-apa.
mind, it's very difficult to explain. Never
Nggak
mind.
apa-apa.
Pokoknya udah AgNO3.
Dikasih tahu aja. Kalau nggak ngerti
Yang
tak
penting
lupain.
tuh sini. Jadi, you fokus ke yang salah. Karena orang selalu ngafalin gitu. Oh, acid NOC, HNO3 itu nggak penting. Yang penting itu Ag plus sama Ba2 plus. Sisanya cuma carrier. Jadi, You pasang sama NO3 karena Ag plus harus dipasang sama somebody else. Ya pasanglah sama NO3 minus. The point is you need Ag plus, not Ag. Wrong. The point is you need Ba2 plus, not
Oh,
Ba.
oh iya, silver
Gitu.
nitrate ya. Wah, tak kira
Ya,
cuma silver.
silver nitrate kenapa?
Oh, oke,
Ya,
oke.
karena silver nitrate maksudnya Ag plus. Kalau Ag-nya nggak plus,
Ah,
Ag-nya nggak bisa react sama Cl minus. Kan Ag plus dan Cl minus.
ah,
Kan Ba2 plus sama SO4 2
oh
minus.
iya,
Kan
ini
gitu
soalnya tulisan
positif.
ini dilute nitric acid, terus habis itu silver nitrate. Aduh.
Yang penting, iya. Nah itu yang penting dia taruh belakang. Aku kayak, misalnya prosedurnya bener ya. Tambahin dulu asidnya, terus dipanasin dikit, terus ya. Tapi kan intinya nggak dapet, maksudnya kira-kira dari Inggrisnya India kurang dapet lah.
Hmm.
Ya intinya sederhana, Ag plus. Dan nanti di pas soal-soal pasti ditanyanya itu, pasti deh.
Contoh soal gimana?
Loh, contoh soal yang tadi itu kan ini white PPT baba ditanyanya apa BSO4 udah langsung jebret gitu. Emangnya dia tanya itu BSO4 mesti diapain? Mesti pakai dilute. Kamu lihat nggak soal yang tadi? Soal
Iya,
tadi tuh
ya.
nulis ini semua loh. Ini aja yang ditulis sama dia loh. Dia tulis ini aku tambahin
Enggak, maksudnya,
dilute
oh
dilute
iya, kalau
nitric
yang itu tahu.
acid apa.
Maksudnya contoh buat yang kayak CL ini ada enggak?
Ya persis kayak gitu.
Persis kayak gitu juga.
Persis. Jadi kamu lihat, oke ini ada acid, ini ada dilute nitric acidnya apa-apa, terus ujungnya apa? Yang ditanya ujungnya bukan prosesnya. Prosesnya ditulis sama dia.
Oh,
Prosesnya itu malah nggak ada gunanya dihafalin karena ditulis terus. Ya enggak.
oh,
Yang perlu dihafalin tuh ininya. Benar ya. Nanti kamu kamu nanti coba lihat soal-soal yang TOS atau yang aku kasih kayak gitu terus. Kayak
bentar.
table yang dikasih kamu tuh misleading banget ngafalinnya.
Ini kayaknya
Yang nggak
ada.
perlu dihafalin disuruh ngafalin. Kayak ada apa gunanya gitu loh. Ya pantas orang stres kan, gitu loh. Udah. Betulin dulu. Kamu masih banyak salah, kamu betulin dulu. Kamu perlu ngulang sekali lagi yang ini.
eh yang NO3 ini jadi apa? Aku lupa.
Jadi gas, sama kayak CO3 2
Gas.
minus, jadi
Oh,
CO2
eh
dites. Nah,
N
NO3 minus jadi sebuah
NH.
gas. 3. Yuk percaya deh, yang amonium tuh nggak kayak kamu, amonia tuh bukan gini.
eh,
Jadi ini kamu suka salah. Jadi amonia tuh lebih simple
NH4,
gini.
NH4. Ya.
Bukan, NH3. Kamu juga
Oh,
salah. NH3 gas, gas. Nanti ada NH4+, nanti ada. Ini amonium. Ini agak beda dikit, beda dikit.
oke.
Ini yang benar, ini yang salah.
Oke, berarti oke. Sulfate, sulfate plus barium nitrate sama dengan Ba barium sulfate. Oke, kalsium negatif plus H and nitric acid plus a silver nitrate. Eh, ya, silver nitrate sama dengan silver chloride.
Joshua, just to confirm that you are not confused, ya, you are okay, ya.
Carbonate C
Uh,
432 negative
I'm okay.
plus
Will we meet again before chemistry test next week?
We have
Will we meet
maybe
again or
if no Saturday you can't do it on Saturday.
Saturday? You mean what? The chemistry test is on Saturday?
No, it's on Monday, sorry. I can meet on
Oh, so we won't
Sunday.
meet again. We won't meet lah. Like this is the last time we meet before the test
Yeah,
lah. Something like that.
yeah. Unless you want to
No
meet on
regrets, you
Sunday.
discuss email. Sunday is fine. Sunday is fine to me.
Or
The 6 p.m. slot is great if you feel the need. Okay, if you will need, you
yeah,
just go in
I'll
there.
text
Pop.
you.
Simple.
I'll text you on
Okay. So
Saturday if
yes, please.
to
Okay, just
confirm.
yeah. Just help.
lime water.
Yeah, okay. All right. Yeah. Is it okay if I go first? Because the study.
Yes, no problem. No
Okay.
problem. I'll see you maybe on Sunday.
Something. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Oke, Oke, Richard udah nulis lagi. Oke.
Ammonium
Si.
NH3 gas. Oh ya. Oh ya. Ups.
Gak apa-apa. Yang kamu lupain makin lama makin minor gitu. Makin lama makin minor. Good, 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 good. Oh, betul. It's anion. Come on, it's
NO3
anion.
negatif.
Anion.
NO3
Ya. Good, good,
minus.
good, good. Nice. One, good, two, good. Nomor 3 mana? Ini great, ini great. Nomor 3 itu warm. Lupa warm.
Warm.
Warm carefully and gently.
Oh,
Jadi ada 3 komponen.
oke.
Ada
Tak
3
kirain
komponen. Energi.
yang prosesnya ini nggak perlu ditulis.
Eh, yang ini spesifik dia kadang-kadang ngetes,
Oke.
kadang-kadang. Yang ini spesifik aku tekankan. Ini berdasarkan experience. I juga nggak tahu kenapa yang ini nggak dites, kenapa yang dites. I don't know how they think, tapi ya kira-kira begitulah, gitu.
Ya wis. Ya harus berarti ya.
Ya, udah lumayan mulus lah, berasa kan? Udah
Ya.
lumayan, maksudnya yang you twist itu kan menggambarkan yang sudah ada di pikiran. Yang ada di pikiranmu sudah cukup siap pakai buat exam. Kira-kira begitulah. Kira-kira begitu.
Hmm.
Ya, walaupun kamu baru kelarin gas, reactivity series sama anion, tapi perasaanku gini, oh ini nempelnya bakal cukup lama. Nanti kalau lupa-lupa dikit juga agak gampang untuk membangkitkannya. Kalau sebelumnya
Ya.
kayak terlalu terlalu apa ya, terlalu
Kayak gak tahu
terlalu
sama sekali gitu ya.
kena lah. Kayak nggak kena gitu loh, karena nggak tahu yang penting yang mana gitu. Kan
Ya.
kalau nggak tahu yang penting yang mana, semua dihafalin malah nggak jadi kira-kira begitu. Nah,
Oke.
kamu masih harus ngafalin nanti next time yang cation, ya kan? Tetap harus sama.
Ion.
Kamu ujiannya kapan sih?
Jumat ini.
Ujiannya kapan tuh? Waduh, ya apa boleh buat, udah tetap dapet. Nah, kamu harus coba sendirilah ngafalin cation.
Yap.
Dan jujurnya masih perlu satu lagi yaitu solubility. Nah, kalau kamu nggak ngerti itu, ya udah nggak usah dipusingin. Pokoknya udah dapet something dulu lah. Pokoknya gitu dulu.
Untungnya sih kayaknya
Ya,
solubility ini nggak dites.
cuma gini, seharusnya enggak. Cuma nanti kalau di O level ya,
O
mereka
level
tuh udah
pasti dites.
campurin semua kan.
Iya.
Nah, jadi kayak dalam QA itu kayak nyalip gitu loh. Dia nyalip solubility jebret. Solubility itu suka nyalip di mana-mana gitu. Jadi kalau guru kamu itu cengli, kira-kira begitu, dia itu disiplin nggak biarin nyelip, ya syukurlah. Syukurlah.
Ya.
Tapi kalau nyelip, you pun kan nggak tahu. Udah ya tutup, ya buta dulu lah untuk sementara. Nanti next time
Solubility ini
dibagusin
apa sih
lagi.
sebenarnya?
Yang mana yang PPT, yang mana nggak PPT. Itu turunannya dari acid and base.
Maksudnya yang kalau yang oh ini ya apa ini
Kalau pasangannya sama nitrate semua soluble. Kalau pasangannya sama
belum
sulfate
belum
ada
belajar.
exception, ada pasangannya sama sial ya. Enggak, kayaknya kamu enggak sadar aja. Udah dah. Jangan ditambah-tambah lagi. Pokoknya kalau kamu buat Jumat ya kamu ngafalin cation, kamu modalnya udah cukup banyak. Bukan
Oke.
berarti kalau kamu nggak ngerti solubility terus kamu hancur babak belur. Enggak gitu cara mainnya. Tetap
Iya.
cation, anion sama gas itu tetap yang paling utama. Itu tetap. Udah, tugas
Oke.
kamu sekarang setelah anion, kamu ngafalin cation sendiri, nanti next time kita bicarakan lagi. Sekarang kamu tahu, kamu mau bagi waktu antara math sama chemistry lah kadang-kadang. Kamu kan udah tahu. Gitu.
Mungkin fisik juga kadang-kadang.
Ya,
Ya,
boleh.
yes. Oke.
Nanti, jadi gimana kamu pinter-pinternya lah, nanti kita gimana caranya pinter-pinternya bagi. Oke?
Oke, thank you,
Sip.
Ko Philip. Bye bye.
All the best, Richard. No problem.
Thank
I'll see
you.
you. Bye.
God bless.